वेस्लाक की मैनेजर है, जिनके माध्यम से आप सबने रजिस्टर किया है. She has worked in not just a very sincere and tireless manner, she has worked in a very creative manner. काम एक होता है कि we work in a certain way which we know, and दूसरा होता है कि we think outside the box and we ask ourselves constantly कि और कैसे अच्छा करें, और किसको बोले, how can we make our value add reach more people. And full credit to you, Anushka. I didn't want to tell you in advance that I wanted to share this with the parents, but I think the rest of the Westlab team thanks you for this, because आपने जो किया है that is really really special. तो आज का जो विषय है पेरेंट्स, जिसके लिए आप सबने रजिस्टर किया, इट्स जॉयफुल पेरेंटिंग. डज नॉट मैटर व्हाट्स द एज ऑफ योर चाइल्ड. 2 साल का बच्चा हो, 3 साल का बच्चा हो, या तो टीनेजर हो, 17, 18, 19 साल का लड़का लड़की, और मे बी इवन अ यंग अडल्ट. आर objective today is to share with you certain principles which hold across the time, which holds across ages. So let me just briefly tell you what we have planned for you today. आज हम 3 भागों में आपके साथ डिस्कशन करेंगे. I'm going to be showing some slides. तो वो स्लाइड्स के माध्यम से 3 चीजों का डिस्कशन होगा. The first thing that we are going to be touching upon is what are the behavioral things which we need to keep in mind. Then we are talking about the attitudinal things which we need to keep in mind. And thirdly, we are talking about self-care. The third segment is a small segment, but a very important segment. तो एटीट्यूड क्या होना चाहिए, बिहेवियर का क्या होना चाहिए, और सेल्फ केयर क्यों करना है, कैसे करना है, वो जरूरी क्यों है. बिकॉज सम ऑफ अस में वंडर कि वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पेरेंटिंग, तो सेल्फ केयर यहाँ से कहाँ से आ गया, उसका भी कारण है. व्हेन वी गो देयर वी विल टॉक अबाउट दैट. So let me just go into the slide sharing mode and present the slides to you. Many of you have also written, आप लोगों ने already आपके forms में भरा है कि आपको अगर कोई concern है regarding parenting. What you can do is, as the session goes along, अगर आपके सवालों का जवाब मिल जाता है आपको, that's wonderful. अगर आपको लगता है नहीं, you have more questions or it is not getting answered, then please feel free to use the chat box. आप देखोगे आपके जो स्क्रीन के ऊपर राइट साइड में there's a small chat box. Many of us will be familiar with it. वो चैट के माध्यम से you can let us know what is your question. आप चैट बॉक्स को यूज करके आपका क्वेश्चन हमें बताइए. We'll do our best to answer. We must be honest with you because in Westlak our team works very hard to bring these inputs, but obviously ऐसी कोई गारंटी है नहीं कि सारे सवालों के जवाब हमारे पास हैं. We will of course be doing our best, and in case we need to reach out to you later with certain inputs, we promise to do that too. That is our commitment to you. So with this, let me just go to the slide sharing. I have already spoken about our topic as well as the structuring. As you can see on the top slide, I have just put a picture of a child with a cape, a Superman sort of cape, and a happy mother, a happy parent.
I'm sorry to interrupt. The presentation has not been showing.
It's not showing? Because,
no, ma'am, it's not visible.
You're not able to see any slide?
No, ma'am.
Okay, because it's saying that I am screen sharing. Let me just go back. Okay. I'll just do a stop share and again do a reshare.
It's there.
Oh, no, then I think there was a time lag because I've just done a stop share.
It's gone again, ma'am. Sorry. It's gone again.
That's because, because कभी मुझे लगा कि नहीं हो रहा है. Don't worry. See, this is why parents, इसके लिए हमने पहले से आपको thank you और sorry कह दिया था, because ये अक्सर होता है. We are all dependent on technology and technology does so many wonderful things, but technology तो कोई magician तो है नहीं. So we all have to be patient with this. So let's get started. I've just taken it to the screen share mode. Let's get started with the fundamentals. जैसे कोई भी हम इमारत बनाते हैं, when we make a construction, first उसकी जो नींव होती है, the foundation, that foundation has got to be proper. Foundation अगर strong रहा, you can make your renovations, additions, changes, whatever you want. तो ये जो हमारी सोच है, उसके हिसाब से हम सबसे पहले इसलिए जो हमारे fundamental suggestions है, उसकी तरफ जाते हैं. Anushka, are you able to see the screen now? Just
no,
wait for a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. Is it visible?
No.
We'll just wait for a few moments because the last time again I had gone out of the screen share mode. Can you see it now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, because I am the screen share mode. Let's do one thing.
Now it's coming, ma'am.
Okay, it's there? Okay, great. Good. So you can see fundamental suggestions written on the slide?
Yes.
Okay, good. Thank you so much, Anushka. So we'll move ahead. कुछ चीजें ऐसी है जो बहुत ही हमारे लिए अहम है, लाइक वी वर जस्ट सेइंग दीज आर द बेसिक्स ऑफ पेरेंटिंग एंड वी ऑल नो देम. ऐसा नहीं कि आपको मुझसे या वेस्ला टीम से सुनना है, आप ऑलरेडी इन चीजों को जानते हो, लेकिन कभी कभार क्या होता है हम भूल जाते हैं, वी फॉरगेट. So just to remind ourselves what are the fundamentals, let's get started. The first point which we would like to remind all the parents is ये जो लॉकडाउन का समय इतने महीनों से चला है और चल रहा है, this is a tough time for everybody including children and sometimes young children. आपके अगर बच्चे 6 साल के कम उम्र के हैं, they cannot always express their feelings. Now why are we saying this? क्योंकि कुछ पेरेंट्स के साथ जब हम बातें करते हैं, इंटरैक्ट करते हैं, दे टेल अस, मैडम हमारे बच्चों को क्या प्रॉब्लम है, जितना टेंशन है वो तो हमें है. वो घर का काम भी इतना नहीं संभालते हैं, फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम्स भी उनके माथे पर नहीं है, स्टडीज भी ऑनलाइन हो रहा है विच दे आर मैनेजिंग, दे हैड अ प्रॉपर वेकेशन विच वी डिडंट हैव. सो हाउ इज इट टफ फॉर देम? नाउ वी नीड टू स्टेप इनटू देयर शूज. हम अगर उनके नजरिए से देखें, वी फाइंड देयर लाइव्स हैव आल्सो चेंज्ड. तो ये जो हमारा एक नॉर्मल दृष्टिकोण होता है, एज अ पेरेंट वी फील दैट वी आर द वंस हु आर सफरिंग द मोस्ट फॉर सम टाइम, वी विल सजेस्ट उसको आप अलग रख दीजिए and for a few moments now start thinking from your child's point of view, which many of you will already be doing. I know many fathers and mothers right now who are here today will already be doing this. In what way it is tough is different for every child. A teenager who can't go to her best friend's birthday party and she's angry and sulking about it, उसका चैलेंज अलग है. जो 5 साल का बच्चा नेबर के बच्चे के साथ उसके घर में जाके खेल नहीं सकता है या बाहर जाके फुटबॉल को किक नहीं कर सकता है, उसका चैलेंज अलग है. दिस इफ वी कीप इन माइंड, क्या होगा, we'll be a little more patient when we are interacting with our children. And जो हमें दिखता है, जो विजिबल है, उससे आगे का हम समझ पाएंगे. We will be able to understand more than just what is visible in front of us. So these two things are very important as fundamentals. In any situation, what it really helps us to do is to prioritize health, physical health, mental health, emotional health of ourselves and our children. Now, why are we making this point? One parent recently spoke to me, and you will laugh if you hear this. Her concern was, if this year my child's studies are not good, then how will he get into IIT? Now, you may think that child is in the 10th or 11th or 12th standard. No, the child is in the 6th standard. Now you know why I said that it may seem a little funny. It is easy for us to step back, but then you sympathize with that mother, you sympathize with that lady for being so stressed out. And what I gently reminded her is कि फिलहाल आपका बच्चा काफी छोटा है. I can understand your concerns, but the biggest priority is that he should be healthy in the pure sense of the term, physically, mentally, emotionally. उसके बाद पढ़ाई, हॉबीज, एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर्स, एज बेस्ट एज यू कैन, यू विल डू इट. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस टू बैलेंस बिटवीन डिसिप्लिन एंड फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी. और एक पॉइंट मैं यहाँ पे बोलूंगी, अक्सर फैमिलीज में हमने देखा है द फादर एंड मदर हैव वेरी पर्टिकुलर रोल्स. सो इफ वन पेरेंट इज द डिसिप्लिनेरियन, द अदर पेरेंट इज एन इजी गोइंग पेरेंट. अ लिटिल सजेशन टू यू, रोल्स को चेंज कर लीजिए. जो फ्लेक्सिबल पेरेंट है, आप थोड़ा डिसिप्लिन हो जाइए, डिसिप्लिन ओरिएंटेड. और जो डिसिप्लिन वाले पेरेंट है, आप थोड़ा छूट दे दीजिए बच्चों को. एंजॉय द डिफरेंस ऑफ दिस एंड इट रियली रियली हेल्प्स. Another very happy thing and useful thing for us to do, creativity. लॉकडाउन के दौरान हमारे खुद के लाइफ्स इतने चैलेंजिंग हो चुके हैं दैट मेंटली वी फील एग्जॉस्टेड, एंड तभी बच्चों के साथ क्रिएटिव हो पाना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. सो व्हाट वी विल सजेस्ट इज, थोड़ा सा प्लानिंग करके हफ्ते में शायद 1-2 दिन एटलीस्ट, जब आपका बाहर का काम थोड़ा कम हो या जॉब रिलेटेड वर्क थोड़ा कम हो, little bit you can try and incorporate a creative way of doing something. If your child likes to work in the kitchen and is enjoying baking, आप उसमें कुछ incorporate कर लीजिए. If your child enjoys photography, आप मोबाइल फोन पे जगह पे कोई डीएसएलआर कैमरा अगर घर में है या डिजिटल कैमरा घर पे है, उसको यूज करके क्रिएटिविटी लाइए. Why are we saying this? Simply because आगे के स्लाइड्स में भी हम डिस्कस करेंगे that when you bring in the healthy things, the unhealthy things automatically drop away. So creativity is useful, but creativity is not automatic when we as parents are stressed. हमारे मन में अगर तनाव है, तो वो जो क्रिएटिविटी का टैप है, वो टैप खुलेगा नहीं. One has to consciously work towards it. Very, very, very crucial for us parents. इसको जितना हम एम्फसाइज करें उतना कम है, उससे ज्यादा एम्फसाइज करने की जरूरत है. एवरी चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट. 2 बच्चे अगर आपके हैं तो दोनों में आप बहुत अंतर देखोगे. प्लीज डोंट कंपेयर एनी वन चाइल्ड ऑफ योर्स विथ एनी वन एल्स. I can't tell you how damaging this is to the self-esteem of the child. जिनके 2 बच्चे होते हैं, very often you will note दोनों के पर्सनालिटीज अलग होते हैं. एक शांत स्वभाव का हुआ तो दूसरा थोड़ा चंचल होता है. एक पढ़ाई में अच्छा है तो दूसरा पढ़ाई में इतना अच्छा नहीं है. Now the saddest thing which we do is we get frustrated with that child whose personality and actions don't match our expectations. तो हम क्या करते हैं? We think we are helping them, but we end up actually harming their self-esteem because we start comparing them to others. और जिनके सिंगल चिल्ड्रन हैं, वो कजिन्स के साथ या नेबर्स के बच्चे के साथ या तो क्लास में जो टॉपर है उसके साथ कंपैरिजन शुरू कर देते हैं. Now somebody might think कि उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? That is how we learn. There is a small difference between inspiration and comparison. Inspiration means you have a conversation with your child. You try to help him or her understand life, reality, responsibilities. Definitely ये सब चीजें बहुत जरूरी होती है. लेकिन आप किसी को फोर्स करके या उसको किसी और के साथ कंपेयर करके, you will not be able to get the best out of the child. So don't think like a parent, think like a manager. ऑफिस में मैनेजर्स क्या करते हैं? जब दूसरों से काम कराना होता है या उनको समझना होता है, सबसे पहले हम उनको समझते हैं व्हाट आर देयर स्किल्स, एंड देन यू हैव टू आस्क हाउ डू आई गेट द बेस्ट फ्रॉम सच एंड सच पर्सन. आपके जो एक्सटेंडेड नेटवर्क में लोग हैं, अगर किसी का हेल्प चाहिए होता है, इट्स द सेम थिंग दैट यू डू. यू विल नॉट टेल द पर्सन व्हाई आर यू नॉट हेल्पफुल, समवन एल्स इज मोर हेल्पफुल देन यू आर. यू विल सिंपली फिगर आउट कि उनको मोटिवेट करने के लिए आप क्या एक्शन या क्या वर्ड्स यूज कर सकते हो. दैट इज व्हाट वी नीड टू कीप इन माइंड. इनफैक्ट इन दिस होल पेरेंटिंग आज का जो सेशन है, अगर कोई एक सुझाव मैं आपको सिंसियरली सजेस्ट करूंगी कि आप याद रखें, वो ये होगा कि बच्चे की तुलना किसी से ना करें. डू नॉट कंपेयर योर चाइल्ड बिकॉज एवरी चाइल्ड इज यूनिक. एंड I'm saying this not just as a mother, but I'm saying this with more than 24 years of experience handling students, working with students within India. I have also taught outside of India in places like Singapore and Dubai. I have also been a trainer, etc. Done some courses, done some understanding in this domain. This is one thing which really, really harms. Isko mat kariye. And when you feel overwhelmed, क्योंकि पेरेंट का जो रोल होता है वो काफी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वाला रोल होता है, don't hesitate to seek help either for yourself or for your child. इसमें कोई embarrassment की बात नहीं है. There is absolutely no shame or no embarrassment in seeking help in case you find yourself overwhelmed. And as parents also we need help because हम किसी के पास सारे answers होते नहीं हैं. All of us face frustration. So then let us share what works so that together we are able to go ahead in a better manner. A few more things when it comes to fundamentals. Coping skills हमारे कैसे हैं? Are they healthy? When we are stressed out, what do we do? I'll share with you an example. I was talking to an old college friend, and he was mentioning that he had had a very hard working day. So when we were speaking in the evening, he had called me for some help. I asked him, "What do you plan to do? Aaj to abhi weekend hai." He said, "Oh, I'm planning to sit down with my drinks." So I said, "Okay, really?" I mean, I didn't know that he was into alcohol. So he said, "Yeah, I have really earned it today. It's been such a stressful day. मुझे फैमिली के ऊपर चिल्लाना नहीं है, all the irritation that I've had, work from home, ये वो." I didn't tell him anything out of sheer respect, but what I understood is, as a grown up, as a parent, if we don't demonstrate healthy coping skills when we are stressed in life, how will we expect our children to learn? हम जैसे अपने बॉसेस के साथ या वर्क प्लेस में कभी स्ट्रेस्ड होते हैं, इरिटेटेड फील करते हैं, similarly they may also be feeling different types of stresses because of online studies, assignments, homework, not being able to go out and play, not being able to meet friends. We have to have healthy coping skills, and therefore then our children can learn from us. A father I spoke to shared something very unique and something that he was distressed about: financial challenges. We heard that he's got a pay cut of 35%. उनके कंपनी ने 35% कट किया है सैलरी को. Now the family is used to a certain standard of living, and now that is getting hurt. And the father said that I'm actually breaking an FD and dipping into my savings because I feel very ashamed to tell my son that I can no longer afford certain type of food or certain type of clothes. So I just gave a suggestion to this gentleman. I told him कि आप जो भी कठिनाई face कर रहे हो, it is not your fault. It's because of the pandemic that the whole company is facing a pay cut, etc. Everybody is facing that. How about if you sit down with your family, you work out a plan, and not only do you save on certain expenses which you feel are not required, आप बच्चे के साथ conversation करो. His son is 12 years old, which is old enough to have such a discussion. I said, आप बच्चे को ये चीजें समझाओ. Let him begin to understand what life is all about. Let him see you cope. In fact, I asked the father a question. I said, "Are you doing anything to supplement your income?" He said, "Yeah, I'm actually thinking of giving online tuitions because that has become a very good way of earning money, and it's a very nice, respectable, healthy way of earning money." So I said, "Excellent." So I said, आप बच्चे को ये चीजें सिखाओ that how when something hits you, you also learn to bounce back. As we know, there is a word called resilience, which is exactly about this. I said, financial challenge is about learning resilience in life because you know it's temporary. You know after some months, once the economy is better, ये phase भी आपका कट जाएगा, निकल जाएगा. लेकिन instead of hiding it from your child and family and actually putting your bank balance into danger, try and make this an opportunity for learning. Now, luckily, this person was open enough, so he took the suggestion. इसके लिए थोड़ा सा courage चाहिए होता है, but this is one suggestion for parents in case this applies to you. A very, very, very crucial thing. Family में बहुत बार हमने देखा है कि माता पिता दोनों के opinions एक जैसे नहीं होते हैं. If the mother is more strict about things, the father takes a very easygoing route. And आप अगर father को पूछो that why are you being so relaxed, the answer invariably is, "Arey, my wife is so strict. If I don't become the easygoing parent, my poor child will be unhappy and miserable." And same question if you ask the mother, कि आप इतने strict क्यों हो? The mother will say, "My husband तो doesn't bother only for these things. सब कुछ मुझे देखना पड़ता है." Now, in many families, we call this the Gabbar Singh role. तो हर एक फैमिली में एक जना होता है who is like the authoritarian person. जब हमारी जनरेशन कम उम्र के थे, when we were young, usually that would be the father. बच्चे के रिपोर्ट कार्ड में प्रॉब्लम है, so the mother will say, "Wait, I'll wait for your father to come home from office. मैं बताती हूँ उनको." Over time, you realize that this role rigidity is not good. Both parents need to have some sort of alignment of opinion. So what we will suggest to you as another fundamental, आप कोई भी फैमिली का जब डिसीजन लेते हैं, बच्चे को रिलेटेड कोई डिसीजन लेते हैं, ट्यूशंस में डालना है नहीं डालना है, कितने सारे ट्यूशंस में ऑनलाइन ट्यूशंस कराने हैं, और व्हाट शुड बी द चाइल्ड्स करियर लेट्स से इन फ्यूचर, प्लीज हैव discussions and conversations amongst yourself, amongst the grown-ups. Come to some sort of an understanding. मैं नहीं कह रही हूँ कि 100% यूनानिमस आपका थिंकिंग होगा, वो नहीं हो सकता है, लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत तालमेल होना चाहिए, उसके बाद आप बच्चे के सामने अपना डिसीजन रखें. Otherwise, what we have seen is two kinds of things can happen in a family where the parents have very different opinions about anything. Either a child will be very stressed, unhappy and miserable, तो तभी उनमें अलग अलग मानसिक विकार हम देखने लगते हैं, डिप्रेशन हो सकता है, दे मे टेक टू सर्टेन अडिक्टिव बिहेवियर्स, फ्रेंड्स के साथ बहुत ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड करना ऑनलाइन, गेमिंग में बहुत ज्यादा करना, हमेशा लैपटॉप को सामने रख के हमेशा उसमें डूबे डूबे हुए रहना. वी हैव एक्चुअली आस्क्ड स्टूडेंट्स एंड दे टेल अस, मैम आई डोंट वांट टू लिसन टू माय पेरेंट्स आर्ग्यूइंग ऑल द टाइम. The second thing that can happen is the child sort of crumbles. Self esteem low हो जाता है, कुछ भी करने के लिए वो इनिशिएटिव नहीं ले पाते हैं, हर एक चीज के लिए परमिशन पूछते हैं. रिस्क टेकिंग, व्हाट वी फील कम्स नेचुरली एज अ चाइल्ड ग्रोज अप, वो बिल्कुल उनमें क्षमता होती नहीं है, बिकॉज दे सी माई फादर एंड मदर, द टू पीपल हुम आई लव द मोस्ट, उनमें अलाइनमेंट नहीं है. And the alignment can be about anything. It need not be related to parenting. घर के खर्चे कितने होने चाहिए, या घर में बाहर के गेस्ट को कैसे एंटरटेन करना है, कोई भी छोटी सी चीज को लेके भी जब बहुत ज्यादा डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो जाए, बच्चे के ऊपर उसका बहुत नेगेटिव प्रभाव होता है. एंड चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी सेंसिटिव. आई एम श्योर ऑल ऑफ यू नो दिस, आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा. आप अलग रूम में भी अगर जाके आपका अगर डिस्प्यूट चल रहा होता है, इवन अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड कैन सेंस द एनर्जीज, दे कैन मेक आउट. इन फैक्ट स्मॉल चिल्ड्रन आर वेरी वेरी सेंसिटिव टू एनर्जीज. सो वी नीड टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट दिस सो दैट वी आर एबल टू रिप्लेस इट. ये तो टिपिकल हैप्पी फैमिली वाला पिक्चर मुझे इंटरनेट से मिला, बट वॉट एवर इज द क्लोजेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ दिस, हर एक फैमिली के लिए वो अलग होगा. Sitting down on a Sunday and playing a game of Monopoly or Carrom, that should happen easily. So that is a very good test to see whether we are all able to get along in terms of opinions. A very very important thing in our lives, हमारे जो बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं, यानी कि हमारे माता पिता, बच्चों के जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, दादा दादी, नाना नानी, उनके ओपिनियंस के साथ भी तालमेल होना चाहिए. Now, why am I saying this? The answer is very simple. Many of us live in either joint families or we are in close touch and close connection with our elders. Now, often in Veslak, when we talk to parents, when we talk to children, we get to see कि parent and child में harmony अगर हो भी, जो elder generation है, उनके साथ कभी-कभी तालमेल नहीं हो रहा है. One mother once shared with me that, madam, I tried not to give junk food to my children, especially chocolates, क्योंकि उसकी एक छोटी सी 5 साल की बच्ची है. The teeth are not in good shape, and plus she knows that chocolates are not good in general beyond the point. She said, every time I'm away for work, I find her mother-in-law, that is a girl's grandmother, is giving a chocolate to the child for finishing the activities. आपने lunch कर लिया, चलो, here's a chocolate as a reward. आपने homework कर लिया, here's a toffee as a reward. आप खेल के आके पढ़ाई करने बैठ गए, here's a chocolate as a reward. And this is one of the saddest challenges to deal with. Why? Because we respect our own grown-ups a lot. We really love them. We have affection and respect for them. What we would suggest to you parents is, अगर आपके फैमिली में आप देखें कि ऐसा हो रहा है, आपकी सोच और जो बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं उनके सोच में काफी अंतर है, आप प्लीज लविंगली, रिस्पेक्टफुली उनसे बातें करिए, उनको बताइए और समझाइए कि आजकल का जो ट्रेंड है, जो जनरेशन है, वो काफी अलग है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दे मे नॉट लाइक द फैक्ट दैट द चाइल्ड इज ऑनलाइन सो ऑफन, and to some extent they may be justified, but to some extent the child may have to do it for studies. Or they may wonder, why is a child becoming so independent? They may say कि हमारे समय पे ऐसा नहीं था, Whatever our parents told us, we obeyed. So very gently, we need to show them, explain to them, talk with them to make them understand different points of view. So ये जो अलग-अलग generations की सोच होती है, it is bound to be different. And I can assure you parents, जिनके बच्चे थोड़े older है, you may agree with me, this is an ongoing process. You never reach a point of time where you can say, हाँ, अभी हो गया, अभी सब लोगों में बहुत सुंदर तालमेल है. It's a dynamic equilibrium. It keeps changing. So one has to work at it constantly.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt. Actually, somebody had presented in between. So your PPT is coming as another small icon. So I think you'll need to go out of the presentation mode and come back in the presentation mode.
Instead of doing that, Anushka, can I just request you firstly to message the person who has inadvertently presented?
Yeah, that is stopped. So.
Okay. At which point did my presentation slide become a small icon?
Just now only, ma'am.
Okay, just now. So the grandparents part was clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me just do a stop sharing. We're actually reaching the end of the first segment. I'll just tell the parents, जो हमारा पहला segment है, वो अब हम समाप्त करके दूसरे segment की ओर आगे जा रहे हैं. Yeah, let me just come back to the main screen. So we have stopped the slide share. I think by mistake किसी का हो गया होगा. That does happen. Don't worry. I'll just go back to my slide share. And we have just one suggestion left in the first segment. Let me start telling you about it, even while this comes up on the screen. वेदांत में एक शब्द है जिसको हम कहते हैं स्वधर्मा. Swa means apna, mera, my own. Dharma doesn't mean religion. Dharma means nature. So swadharma means my own nature. It is said, and I completely agree with it, but this is said by our enlightened masters, जो हमारे बड़े बुजुर्ग हैं, जो enlightened masters है, वेदों में लिखा गया है, उपनिषद में लिखा गया है, कि हर एक इंसान की एक अलग स्वधर्म, उसका एक अलग स्वधर्म होता है. यानी कि आप किस काम में अव्वल हो, कौन से काम को अगर आप चुनते हो तो आप अच्छा करोगे, वो बचपन से तय होता है. It depends on the mental constitution of the child. I can't tell you parents how important it is that we guide our children towards their swadharma. अभी इसका क्या मतलब है? I'll just wait for the slide to come on the screen. Let me just take you there. Anushka, I'll request you to tell me when you can see the slide. Just let me know when you can see the slide.
Sure, ma'am.
In the meantime, हमारे डिस्कशन को हम आगे लेके जाते हैं.
It's visible, ma'am.
It's visible? Great, thank you. One of the most fundamental worries which a parent has, और इस worry की वजह से stress होता है, tension होता है, what will my child do? My child is not motivated. This is especially true for parents जिनके बच्चे 12, 13, 14, 15 and above की उम्र के हैं. क्योंकि जब बहुत छोटे होते हैं, ये सवाल मन में नहीं आता है कि वो आगे बढ़ के क्या करेंगे, आगे चल के क्या करेंगे. But as they start growing up and we see the competition in our schools and colleges, we every year come to know of the cutoffs of colleges, and then we see the job market. We start worrying. We don't just plan. हम लोग चिंता में पड़ जाते हैं कि मेरा बेटा या बेटी वो आगे जाके क्या करने वाले हैं. Because of that worry, sometimes we push children in a direction which we think is right for them, but it is not actually right for them. So what is the solution? करना क्या है? Again, this what I'm sharing with everybody parents, this comes to us from our scriptures. हमारे जो शास्त्र में कहा गया है कि जब बच्चा 2 साल 3 साल का होता है, उसके एक्टिविटीज को देखकर, उसके खेल को देखकर हम तय कर पाते हैं कि वो आगे जाके क्या करने वाला है. In the sense, one child may play a lot with blocks. Some child may like to play with toy cars. Somebody may like to play with dolls. Somebody may like to play with a doctor's set. Somebody wants to do a lot of painting. Somebody wants to make things out of clay or Play-Doh and things like that. Someone else doesn't like all of this. he or she wants to go to the playground, make a bunch of people in a group, play teacher, teacher, and every time he or she will become the teacher. So what we are saying is, if you think about your child's basic childhood, toddlerhood, जब बच्चा एकदम छोटा था, 2 साल, 2.5 साल, 3 साल की उम्र में, what was the predominant activity that he or she liked? What was the activity in which he or she could lose himself for hours? Simple example I'll share with you. A child I know, right from a young age, was very interested in learning about countries and reading things. That child today has got a fantastic job in USA when it comes to teaching geography and teaching about various cultures to people. Another child that I know, a young girl, she was very interested in the environment. बचपन से उसको बहुत ऐसा feeling था कि we need to take care of our environment, etc. She went on to do higher studies and today she is finishing her PhD in Australia in marine aquatic life forms and उसको काफी सारे awards already मिल चुके हैं. उसने masters भी complete किया, पहले bachelors फिर masters, अभी PhD कर रही है and she is going places, literally going places. ऐसे बहुत सारे examples हैं which I can share, but time will not permit us to do that. So I'll just share one small thing with you. This girl that I'm talking about, जो अभी PhD कर रही है in marine aquatic systems, both her parents happen to be dentists. So मैंने एक बार पूछा था उनके parents को that आपको नहीं लगा था कि आपकी बेटी दूसरा कुछ करे करके, because this is a very different sort of activity. So both of them laughed and said, yes, we had hoped that she will also become a dentist like us, क्योंकि हमारा बना बनाया clinic है, हमारे इतने सारे patients हैं जो already हमारे पास आते हैं. Everything is set up, our full network is there. Naturally, we wanted that she should also become that. But when we saw that she's so happy in studying about fishes, studying about sharks, whales के बारे में सीख रही है, जैसे Nat Geo में दिखाते हैं, वो वैसा वाला वो काम कर रही है. That is when we realized that we should not come in the way of her happiness. So I said, wonderful. Matlab, this is very enlightened thinking. You did not allow your tension or your worries about her future or financial status to stop you from encouraging her. आपने उसको encourage किया. They said, yeah, we were also lucky we could afford the fees. Because sending her for such specialized learning was not easy. तो ये भी बात है कि जब अगर आपके बच्चे का स्वधर्म कुछ ऐसा हो कि जिसमें आपको ज्यादा एफर्ट डालना पड़े, फाइनेंशियल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ज्यादा उसमें हो, it means more hard work from your side. But parents, this is something very important for us to remember. Why are we talking of this today? Pandemic के दौरान क्यों इसकी बातें हो रही है? The answer is, again, the pandemic has aggravated our stresses. It has increased our tension. तो बच्चे को लेके जो भी मन में अगर चिंता हो, वो चिंता भी मैग्निफाई हो रहा है अभी. It's getting more and more amplified. So please just remind yourselves, उनको अपने स्वधर्म के हिसाब से पढ़ने दे. किसी बच्चे को अगर म्यूजिशियन बनना है, उसको साइंस नहीं पढ़ना है, इंजीनियर नहीं बनना है, please don't tell the child that this is what you need to do. Last example I'll share with you. A student I know, in fact, Veslak team will understand whom I'm talking about. He did his computer science engineering from a reputed college, but very soon he went on to do a general MBA with marketing, etc. And once when I asked him why, because we have known him for some years, he said, ma'am, I wasn't interested at all in computer science. मुझे बहुत जल्दी उससे निकल के आगे कुछ करना था. So I said, फिर किया क्यों? He said, 12th में अच्छे मार्क्स आए थे, so parents pushed me into it, तो वो करना पड़ा, but I hated it. So I started laughing because he was telling me in such a frank manner. मुझे हंसी आ गई. I said, बेटा फिर किया क्यों? पेरेंट्स को आप बोल सकते थे. He said, नहीं, उतनी हिम्मत नहीं थी. And then my heart just went out to him because I knew what he was trying to say. So please don't let it be that your child has to confide in an outside person and say, my parents are pushing me. आप उनको गाइड करें, एनकरेज करें, मोटिवेट करें, डिसिप्लिन करें, बट रिजिडली मोल्ड करने की कोशिश ना करें. जिसको म्यूजिशियन बनना है या सिंगर बनना है या शेफ बनना है, डॉक्टर इंजीनियर नहीं बनना है, let that be. Otherwise we will make them unhappy and we will make ourselves unhappy. Now we come into more of picture slides about specific behavioral suggestions. इस सेगमेंट के एंड में आपको मैं 3 स्लाइड्स दिखाऊंगी with specific problems and our suggestions. So let's go ahead. One of the biggest parts of lockdown parenting is deciding आप कौन से एरिया में फ्लेक्सिबल हो सकते हैं और कौन से एरिया में आप थोड़ी सी छूट दे सकते हैं. मान लीजिए आपका बच्चा 5 साल की उम्र का है, then screen time is something which is to be limited and that is a non-negotiable. Whereas if you have a teenage son or daughter, 18 years of age, 17 years of age, he or she is now old enough to work out certain things for himself or herself. तो उसके हिसाब से आप डिसाइड करें कौन सी चीजें कंपल्सरी है, कौन सी चीजें थोड़े एडजस्ट करके हो सकता है. दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि रूटीन घर का अच्छा हो एंड रियलिस्टिक हो. सो व्हाट इज द टाइम ऑफ वेकिंग अप एंड व्हाट इज द टाइम ऑफ गोइंग टू स्लीप, these are very important. The meal timings are very important. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस सब जगह पे शुरू हो चुका है, तो थोड़ा बहुत रेगुलरिटी पढ़ाई के साथ, इफ योर चाइल्ड अटेंड्स ट्यूशंस उसके लिए, प्लस एक्सरसाइज, हेल्पिंग आउट एट होम, स्पेंडिंग टाइम इन सम हॉबी, कुछ जनरल रीडिंग एक्सेट्रा. ये जो एक दिनचर्या हम कहते हैं, डेली टाइम टेबल, this is absolutely crucial because this allows us to work in a certain rhythm. अभी इसको लेके भी एक सवाल हमारे मन में आ सकता है, what if my child doesn't follow? उसका जवाब भी आगे के स्लाइड्स में है. 2 things which work very well when you do together, 2-3 things: प्रार्थना, meditation, yogasan. As a family, when you are doing these things, the effect is much more amplified. एंड बच्चा अगर देखे कि मेरे माता पिता योगासन कर रहे हैं रोज सुबह शाम, जैसे भगवान के सामने दिया जला के हम प्रार्थना करते हैं, उनमें भी वो एक जो सोच की बीज होती है वो होगी, वो चिंता उनमें होगी, एक थॉट होगा कि दिस इज समथिंग हेल्दी व्हाट आई नीड टू डू. Whenever your child is refusing to do something that he or she needs to do, सबसे पहले कम्युनिकेशन ठीक से हो, तो उसके लिए जरूरी है we are able to listen well. Most of us, unfortunately, we are so busy in our lives. हम लोग 2-3 चीजें एक साथ कर रहे हैं. I know ladies who are cooking and at the same time listening to things. I know men who are doing work from home, webinar का कुछ सुन रहे हैं, उसके साथ साथ बर्तने घिस रहे हैं. So in this situation, your child is priority. Very important first to listen to the child. Let your child be of any age. बिना जज किए, in a non-judgmental way, listening is important. And then reframing. Now this is something very important, parents. What does reframing mean? यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो एक कांच का ग्लास है जिसमें पानी है, पानी आधा भरा हुआ है, and we all know you can either look at the glass as half full or you can look at it as half empty. We need to teach our children how to focus on this, क्योंकि लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ कमी हमेशा होती है. लॉकडाउन के दौरान बहुत नए नए चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं. दिस इज द आर्ट वेयर वी फोकस ऑन व्हाट वी हैव. सो व्हाट आर वी ग्रेटफुल फॉर, व्हाट आर द ब्लेसिंग्स व्हिच वी हैव इन लाइफ. सिंपल एग्जांपल, खाने के लिए अगर खाना हो टेबल पर, उसी को प्रार्थना सहित हम खाते हैं, बिकॉज वी नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर नॉट सो लकी. Today, if you are able to sit for such a webinar, यानी कि हमारे पास मोबाइल फोन है, लैपटॉप है, that itself is a big blessing. We first have to learn this art of gratitude and reframing, and we have to teach our children this art of gratitude and reframing. कि जो है उसके ऊपर आप ध्यान दो, न कि जो नहीं है, क्योंकि वो हमारे हाथ में फिलहाल नहीं है. This part cannot be filled by us right now. We have to wait for things to get better. So this is called reframing. Many young parents who are in their late 20s, early 30s, in the last few months have been sharing with me that their children are throwing more tantrums. आपके घर में अगर कोई बच्चा है जो छोटा है, मतलब उम्र में 2 साल, 2.5 साल, 3 साल, 4 साल का है, tantrums have gone up. अचानक से रोना, not wanting to do certain things, जो नॉर्मली वो करते थे, अभी कहना नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना है. All that is happening. So I asked some of the mothers whom I am familiar with कि आप क्या करते हो? One mother said, I try to explain things to her. Another mother said, I don't try to explain, मैं खुद इतना थक जाती हूँ पूरे दिन के बाद, I just give in. उसको चॉकलेट चाहिए तो दे देती हूँ. ऑनलाइन खाना मंगवाना है तो लाके दे देती हूँ. Now my suggestion to them as well as to all of us here is something different. पहले तो ये कि आप चूज करें बच्चे के लिए क्या अच्छा है, and then you do that. But when the tantrum is happening, there's only one thing we need to do as a parent: validate their emotion. अभी इसका क्या मतलब है? Validation means you are acknowledging your child is sad or child is angry. आपके बच्चे को अगर दुख है कि वो बाहर जाके नहीं खेल सकता है, उसके वजह से वो घर में कुछ बिहेवियर ऐसा कर रहा है, आप ऐसा न कहें कि देखो बेटा लॉकडाउन है, आप नहीं जा सकते हो, कोरोना है, ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. छोटा बच्चा वो समझेगा नहीं. ऑल वी नीड टू डू इज से, पुअर डियर, आपको ऐसा लग रहा है ना, बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है ना, बहुत दुख हो रहा है ना, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. मैं अगर आपकी जगह पे होता मुझे भी ऐसा फील होता. Try it and see, parents, this works like magic. In psychology, we call this validation. Validation does not mean आप हाँ में हाँ मिला रहे हो. If your teenager is throwing a tantrum कि you're not letting me go to maybe a friend's house, बाकी सारे parents अभी allow कर रहे हैं, मास्क पहन के जाएंगे, etc. Validation doesn't mean that you say हाँ हाँ बेटा चलो चले जाओ. It means you empathize with their frustration. You tell your child कि yes बेटा I can understand आपको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है इस बात पर, but what to do as a family we need to take certain decisions for safety. Family में दूसरे भी members हैं. आपको God forbid कुछ अगर हो जाए तो फिर हम लोग बहुत स्ट्रेस में आ जाएंगे. We don't want that to happen to you. So validation means you empathize with their emotion, you acknowledge their emotions, you grant their emotion. I repeat parents, हाँ में हाँ मिलाना नहीं है. आप चूज करें कि आपको क्या सही लगता है वो ही आप करें, लेकिन उनके मन में जो फीलिंग है उसको आप अक्नॉलेज करें कि यस दिस इज व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग. We have already spoken of this in the fundamentals, so I will quickly take us ahead. There are lots of healthy ways for self-soothing. When a child is going through the lockdown situation, in every home without exception, हम इसके consequences देख रहे हैं. I know teenagers who are upset because they can't go on their jogs, they can't go to the gym, they can't go for a walk. I know young girls and boys who are upset because they can't socialize with their friends. Younger children are upset because they can't go out and play cricket or football. ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई मतलब बोरिंग उनके लिए होता है, हमेशा कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन के ऊपर ध्यान होता है. They are unhappy. So what is our job? We encourage them to do healthy self-soothing. बहुत सारी ऐसी एक्टिविटीज हैं जो हेल्दी है, विदाउट एनी कॉस्ट. आपको ₹1 भी इसके ऊपर देना नहीं है. बच्चे के स्वधर्म के हिसाब से, उसके लाइक्स डिसलाइक्स के हिसाब से आप उनको एनकरेज करें. Whatever they enjoy, be it reading, be it gardening, be it cooking or helping in the kitchen, laying the table for the meals, helping out for the housework, for example, help them to deal with their stress by doing these things. Another common challenge which we are finding because of the lockdown is children are eating a lot. In fact, this sounds funny, but food is actually a self-soothing technique which is unhealthy. हम लोग भी बहुत अक्सर देखते हैं कि बहुत गुस्सा हो या upset हो, you feel like eating something sweet or you may feel like eating something fried. Why? Because the tongue is one way in which we can self-soothe ourselves, but it's not a healthy way. तो एक मदर ने मुझसे पूछा that madam, what do I do? My son is 15 years of age. He's gaining a lot of weight. पहले ऐसा नहीं था. He was very active, बास्केटबॉल खेलता था, स्कूल में टीम में था, etc. But now वो सब तो थम गया है. घर में ऑनलाइन क्लासेस करता है और खाता जाता है. I said I'll have a word with your son. तो मैंने उसको पूछा कि बेटा, tell me honestly, are you bored? He said yes, auntie. I can't tell you how bored I am. My mother doesn't understand that. She thinks classes ठीक से हो रहे हैं, टेस्ट जो हो रहे हैं वो मैं ठीक से कर रहा हूँ, that's it. but I'm absolutely bored because I can't go out and do my basketball practice. So I said, have you thought of anything else कि जो आप घर में कर सको? So he said, what auntie? I said, Zumba try किया. So he started laughing. He said, auntie वो सब ladies के लिए है. So I said, okay. How about workouts? He said, what workouts? He's very familiar with it क्योंकि वो gym जाता नहीं था. He's just 15, but he used to see others going. I said, try things like planking. He said, हाँ वो easy है. I can do 30 seconds, 1 minute. I said, which type of plank can you do? अलग-अलग types of planks are there. So I gave him a little bit of a challenge. I said, see बेटा, मैं जब planking करती हूँ, this is my time. Can you try and see whether yours is same or can you improve and beat my score? आपका core control कितना है आप बताओ. So immediately he was interested. So after some days he got in touch with me and said, Auntie, I think 1.5 minute tak mera gaya. I said, hats off, you're better than I am. Very good, keep it going. Now that little boy, 15-year-old boy, is hooked to doing things which are healthy in terms of exercise. So last when I spoke to the mother, मेरी first conversation हुई थी मई महीने के end में. जब जुलाई में बात हुई, the mother is thrilled because the child has now gone back to the normal weight. He is not just doing studies, but he's doing workouts, and now he's become so much interested in it. He's thinking के आगे चल के nutrition and exercise and physiotherapy में कुछ पढ़ाई करेगा. Now we don't know because teenagers काफी समय change करते हैं अपने जो choices है, which is okay. So the mother is also intelligent enough to allow that. So there are lots of healthy ways in which we can incorporate exercise and sleep and study and play. Play is important. खेलना भी बहुत आवश्यक है, बहुत जरूरी है. One thing which we always suggest to parents in our Veslak webinars, और हम जब students के लिए sessions करते हैं, सबसे पहले ये चीज हम उनको सिखाते हैं. Label your emotions. What are you feeling right now? गुस्सा आ रहा है, या confused feel कर रहे हो, या bored हो, या खुश हो, excited हो. Lot of students then will say, they're very smart, they will say, ma'am, mixed emotions. Yesterday we had a Veslak webinar. जब मैंने ये सवाल उनसे पूछा, काफी सारे बच्चों ने जवाब दिया mixed. Then I tell them further go into it. When you say mixed, what are the emotions which are there? Helping a child to put a label on an emotion allows the child to manage the emotion. आपका बच्चा 4 साल का हो या 18 साल का हो, this is one technique which works across ages. Help them identify what they're feeling. उनके मन में कौन सा इमोशन प्रेडोमिनेंट है. ऑब्वियसली जब खुश होते हैं तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है. प्रॉब्लम तब होता है जब फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो, इरिटेटेड हो, चिड़चिड़े हो जाए. टीच देम टू लेबल द इमोशन. और जितने यंगर एज से ये चीज हम उनको सिखाते हैं उतना अच्छा है. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ यंग अडल्ट्स टुडे हु वर टॉट दिस टेक्निक व्हेन दे वर स्मॉल, एंड अभी उनको अगर गुस्सा भी आए, कुछ बुरा भी लगे मन में, they know how to express, because the first thing they do, मुंह खोल के कुछ बोलने के पहले दिमाग में थोड़ा फिल्टर कर लेते हैं कि this is what I'm feeling right now. मैं गुस्से में हूँ, या right now मैं बहुत ज्यादा दुखी हूँ या अपसेट हूँ. ये चीज जान जब हम लेते हैं तो automatically we become better at handling that emotion because we are able to step away from our emotion and feeling. So this is a crucial suggestion, parents, to everybody. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस. मैं एक सवाल सबसे करती हूं और आप चैट बॉक्स में लिखिए, डू यू हैव अ चाइल्ड और चिल्ड्रन एट होम अटेंडिंग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस? प्लीज टाइप yes in the answer if you have a child or children doing online classes. I'll give you a few moments. I'll just wait for a while.
The answers are coming in now.
Mm-hmm.
Most of yes.
Okay.
All are yes, actually.
Okay, so online classes 3 जनों के लिए स्ट्रेसफुल होता है. कौन 3 जने? The parent, the child, the teacher. I've been seeing a lot of forwards of funny videos which teachers are making कि online classes में इतना ज्यादा indiscipline होता है, इतनी ज्यादा शैतानी होती है कि आप attendance लेते लेते हुए आपका समय निकल जाता है. And then when the cameras are on, sometimes students are not dressed appropriately, sometimes the parents are visible, sometimes the parents are talking when they shouldn't be talking. तो आप तीनों के नजरिए से अगर देखें, it is a stressful time. तो अगर ये situation है, हमें क्या करना है? Simple answer, first step back away from it and understand our perception decides a lot of things. अगर हम लोग सब एक सिचुएशन से जूझ रहे हैं, इसका ये मतलब है we are all in it together. ये समय भी बीत जाने वाला है, and we will look back at this time and laugh, and we will say, अच्छा तब के टाइम पे ऐसा होता था. So 2020 is going to go down in our memories as probably one of the most eventful years of our life. Not for the right reasons at all, but it will still be eventful. तो हमारा सबसे पहले सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर उसको एकदम बरकरार रखना है, उसको ठीक रखना है. This is very important for us parents because I've been talking to students who are having online classes and it is extremely stressful for them. एक तो उनका अटेंशन स्पैन कम होता है, दूसरा जैसे अभी मैं आपसे बातें कर रही हूँ, आप खुद में देखोगे that sometimes your mind is wandering off. You're thinking लंच के लिए क्या बनाना है, या घर का कौन सा काम बाकी है, या आज सैटरडे है, आज घर में कौन से स्पेशल कुछ अगर टास्क करने हैं. The mind tends to wander. So imagine the state of your child whose mind may be wandering much more, and it's so difficult to focus when you're not in a classroom. So what are we supposed to do? Just be there to support. बहुत ज्यादा एक्टिव पार्टिसिपेशन करना जरूरी नहीं है. I know one mother who's become so participative and so much active that she has started giving advice to every teacher of her son's classes. Her son is in the 4th standard. कि वो एक लेसन अगर करना है वो कैसे करना है, कितना टाइम एलोकेट करना है, व्हाट शुड बी द लर्निंग रिसोर्सेज. आई टोल्ड हर रिलैक्स, you are not the teacher and don't take the teacher's role. Teacher will not appreciate it and you are not helping out. उससे अच्छा आप आपके जो काम पे ध्यान देना है आप उस पे ध्यान दो. But yes, you have to be there with the child. आपका अगर स्मार्टफोन या लैपटॉप का यूज हो उसको आपको मॉनिटर करना है. टाइम टू टाइम बच्चा हैज टू टेक ब्रेक्स क्योंकि आंखों के ऊपर स्ट्रेन होता है. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द सेशंस पेरेंट्स जस्ट आस्क द चाइल्ड आपने क्या सीखा एंड check if your child is happy learning that. अभी क्या सीखा, हम ये क्यों पूछते हैं. Narrating to you what they have learned is one of the best ways of remembering their learning. तो जिन पेरेंट्स को चाहिए कि आपके बच्चे अच्छा स्कोर करें एग्जाम्स में, बहुत पेरेंट्स को ये एक उम्मीद होती है, एक आशा होती है, प्लीज गेट योर चाइल्ड टू टीच यू whatever he or she is learning. Not fully, पूरा तो वो नहीं सिखा पाएंगे और सिखाने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. लेकिन मान लीजिए आज 3 क्लासेस या 4 क्लासेस हुए, हिस्ट्री हो गया, मैथ्स हो गया, इंग्लिश या साइंस, आप उनसे पूछो कि साइंस में क्या सीखा. इफ दे टेल यू सर्टेन थिंग्स लाइक बायोलॉजी में ये सीखा, आस्क देम सम क्वेश्चंस अबाउट इट एंड आस्क देम इन अ क्यूरियस वे. ऐसा नहीं उनको टेस्ट करने के लिए. दैट इज नॉट द राइट अप्रोच. द अप्रोच इज ओके यू लर्न दिस, डिड यू आल्सो लर्न अबाउट दिस, या मैं जब छोटा था या छोटी थी हमें ऐसा सिखाया गया था, एंड देन यू ऑल कैन कंपेयर. So the first suggestion is therefore get the child to recap to you what he or she has learned. If you are a mother, आप किचन में काम कर रहे हो, बच्चे को बोलो बेटा क्लासेस तो हो गया, अभी किचन में थोड़ा आ जाओ. And as your child sits in a chair or is helping you out, maybe you are chopping vegetables or something, let the child narrate to you आज मैंने क्लास में क्या सीखा. Second thing, is your child happy to learn? Now this is a trickier thing. इसके लिए बहुत जरूरी है आप बच्चे के साथ टाइम टू टाइम कॉन्वर्सेशंस करें. उनको आप पूछें कि उनको आगे चल के क्या करना है. Even if they are confused, they don't know, that's okay. At least they may tell you things like, one child said, Auntie, I want to earn a lot of money, but in a good manner, ethical manner. I said, wonderful, that's a good starting point. Nothing wrong with earning money when you're saying you want to do it ethically. Ask them what they aspire for. Or suppose उनको कोई चीज चाहिए, like they want let's say a new watch or a new toy, a new game or something. Teenagers may want a new mobile phone. Ask them what are their goals so that you can link their goals to their studies. कि आप पढ़ाई अगर अच्छे से करते हो, कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, मैथ, साइंस, इंग्लिश, एनीथिंग, you get certain marks. With those marks you're able to build your learning. With that you give exams, you get अगेन सम मार्क्स. आप अच्छे कॉलेज में जाते हो, आगे चल के खुद का बिजनेस संभालोगे या तो आप जॉब करोगे. wherever you are today, what you're doing is helping you reach your future. ये बात बच्चों को सिखाना बहुत जरूरी है. otherwise a child can never understand Why do I need to learn, let's say, trigonometry? 10th standard में trigonometry होता है. I remember I had that question. I was a good student by God's grace, but there were certain topics I really couldn't understand. Why do we need to learn? Unfortunately, nobody told me that this is the correlation. None of the teachers did it. Actually, ideally, teachers का ये काम होता है, but as we all know, वो हमेशा possible नहीं होता है. Teachers are human beings. We're all human beings. We're all trying to do our best. So parents, this is our suggestion to everybody. Online classes के लिए थोड़ा सा extra attention आप दें. I'm just recapping this point. First thing, get your child to narrate back to you what he or she has learned. वो संक्षिप्त वर्जन भी अगर दे, कंडेंस्ड वर्जन भी अगर दे, तो वो चल जाएगा. Second, check if your child is happy to learn. This happiness is a gradual process. ये long term process है. ये 1-2 दिन या 1-2 महीने में नहीं होता है. It's a long journey. But trust me when I say, ये अगर आप करोगे, your child will be self-motivated. आपको कभी बोलना नहीं पड़ेगा कि जाओ बेटा पढ़ने के लिए बैठो. उल्टा बोलना पड़ेगा कि don't study so much. It's okay. You have done a lot. We have actually seen this happen, so I'm sharing with you from our own experience. It really helps to do this. बहुत सारे families में एक साथ खाना खाया जाता है. Let me just ask the parents, if you have at least one meal together, either breakfast or dinner, please type yes in the chat box. एक मील अगर आप सब लोग साथ में बैठ के मिलके खाते हो, please type yes in the chat box.
The answers are coming in, ma'am, as yes. And there are some of them have mentioned some few questions as well. 3 to 4 questions are there.
We'll just wait for the questions, Anushka, because I'll just come to my 3 slides now.
Yeah.
So discuss
the answers are yes, ma'am.
Okay, wonderful to hear that. Really, really wonderful.
And
ये okay, ये मुश्किल होता है. मैं वही I was about to tell you all that it's not so easy. So those of you who are doing it, that's wonderful. Don't take it for granted. This is a very special thing. बहुत सारे families में ये possible नहीं होता है या लोग चाहते नहीं हैं. Try and see if you can make it happen. And every day अगर मुश्किल है, at least twice, thrice a week कोशिश करिए. Maybe Saturday, Sundays or something. कोशिश करके देखिए. एक साथ बैठ के have a nice chat, discuss about life and eat. Discussion करने के समय पर classes के बारे में please मत पूछें. Grades के बारे में मत पूछिए because these are not very happy mealtime conversations. So now, final point for this segment is let your home be as peaceful as you can make it. घर में अगर झगड़ा हो और झगड़े होते हैं, कुछ क्लेश हो और क्लेश भी होता है, try and bring back the energy of the house to something that is soothing. Play good music, play chants. अगर आप ओम या दूसरे spiritual chants सुनते हो, उसको play करें. अगरबत्ती या धूप आप उसको जलाएं, दिया जलाएं. If you do some other form of energy cleansing, please use that. These may seem like small things, but trust me when I say it matters a lot. हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, उनके energy centers open होते हैं. They are very sensitive. आप देखोगे adult से ज्यादा बच्चे sensitive होते हैं. I have known of cases where in one family when a mother was unhappy, कभी अगर वो रोती थी, बच्चा जो था छोटा था वो बीमार हो जाता था. He used to get fever even when he didn't see the mother cry. This is the part that's really interesting. वो स्कूल में भी अगर होता था, but say the mother is at home and she is upset about something, the child that day evening would fall ill. After it happened several times, I told the mother कि you need to be careful. आप किस तरह से अपने emotions को process करते हो. I'm not saying अंदर ही अंदर सब रखो, but find a healthy way to process your emotions. So let's come to our slides which have some tips for parents. ये थोड़ा rapid fire देने में हम करेंगे because already we have discussed all the key points for today. Tantrums के बारे में already हमने कहा है. छोटे बच्चे का जब tantrum हो, either listen or distract and then validate the emotion. Some young children, मैंने एक parent से सुना, refusing to eat, being very withdrawn, नाखुश होके एक कॉर्नर में गुमसुम बैठा हुआ है. सबसे पहले फिजिकल हेल्थ आप थोड़ा देख लीजिए कि वो ठीक ठाक है. फाइंड आउट हाउ टू एंगेज द चाइल्ड इन फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. एंड अगर आपको किसी की एडवाइस की जरूरत हो, सम डॉक्टर और फैमिली फ्रेंड और अ काउंसलर, प्लीज रीच आउट फॉर हेल्प. बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा दिन तक अगर बच्चा गुमसुम रहे, चुपचाप अकेला रहे, that is not a healthy sign. We have to encourage the child to come out of it. A very common thing I've been hearing from many parents is, मेरा बच्चा शेड्यूल फॉलो नहीं करता है, तो उसके लिए क्या करना है? शॉर्ट टर्म में वी वर्क ऑन व्हाट इज नॉन नेगोशिएबल. अगर आपको सुबह 7 बजे तक उठना है, यानी कि उठना है. 7 बजे के बाद क्या करना है? फैन ऑफ कर देनी है. अगर आप एसी यूज करते हो उसको ऑफ कर देना है. If you're using a mosquito mesh, remove that, get the child out of bed lovingly but firmly. Also, what you can do is, you might want to link certain things which a child earns, like screen time, to the child's following the schedule. कि आप आज टाइम पे उठे, आपने एक्सरसाइज किया, प्राणायाम किया, you did your online classes well. So therefore, if you get say half an hour of screen time, I'm talking of maybe an 8th standard, 9th standard child, then that's okay. Long term, you yourself demonstrate the value of consistent habits. हम खुद जब as parents proper schedule follow करते हैं, sooner or later the child is going to learn that this is the right way to live. Another thing which is coming up in some of the homes, recently I heard of a case of an 19 or 20-year-old boy who's a very good person, very दिल का बहुत अच्छा बच्चा है, but not wanting to contribute at home, and the mother is going very tired and very stressed, and mother के कुछ health complications भी है, she's got high BP and certain other problems. It's very necessary कि अगर आपका बच्चा बड़े उम्र का है, see this works for the older children, show what happens to them if everyone does this thing, meaning not working. So suppose the child is not contributing, one day आप बोलो कि ठीक है, आज हम लोग सब उपवास करेंगे. When they say why, भूख लगी है, you say no, everybody is supposed to contribute certain things and the buck can't stop with the mother. They'll say हाँ स्विगी के थ्रू ऑर्डर करते हैं, आप पेटीएम या यूपीआई या whatever they use उसको बंद कर दीजिए. Put a monthly limit on that and say that no, this is not done. I know of this instance which I was just telling you about this boy. So what we suggested to the mother is, firstly try and understand why he is not helping out. And it turned out कि बचपन से वो बच्चे ने कभी challenges नहीं देखे थे. He was not able to understand why he needs to help. So then I told the mother, okay, you try and give him some stories from your own childhood, that how all of you would work together, what were the troubles, आपने कौन-कौन से problems का सामना किया है. That way the child will understand कि हम सबको एक साथ मिलके cooperate करके काम करना है. And बच्चे ने अगर उसका काम नहीं किया, let's say in this house the thing was that the bacha will help with the jhadu pocha, the mother is doing the entire cooking and certain other tasks, and this was a working mother, तो उसका work from home anyway चल रहा है, चल रहा था, चल रहा है. So 2 days she did this कि अगर आपने झाड़ू पोछा ठीक से नहीं किया, I will not do the cooking and I'm not going to let you order from outside. So one day the boy made some Maggi noodles or something and थोड़ा bread butter लेके किया. Then second day देखा कि bread भी खत्म है. Then he realized that if everyone behaves like me, that is very selfish. So जो बड़े बच्चे हैं उनको ये हैंडल करने का तरीका होता है. जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, we have already discussed, we have to use communication, we have to show them reframing, and we have to do role modeling. Many students we talk to, they're very unhappy because they can't go to school or college and can't meet their friends. Help them, show them, encourage them to use a lot of creative ways. वो journal writing कर सकते हैं. I know one girl, her mother had reached out to me, they are in Bangalore. उसको मैंने encourage किया कि आप paintings बनाइए. So the initial paintings she was making, those were very angry sort of paintings, lots of red and black and very violent sort of way of painting. The last painting that I saw, now she's come back to her original style. वो पहले भी painting बनाती थी, 14 year की लड़की है. Now she's come back to her original, she's drawing flowers. So I was so happy to see that. So her mother told me, yeah, she's back to making flowers. Now why do we need to do this? We need to vent. All of us need to vent. Kitchen में हम सबके घरों में pressure cooker होता है. Pressure cooker में बहुत steam जब हो जाए तो उसकी एक सीटी बजती है. वो सीटी बजना मतलब क्या? The excessive steam which has collected inside is getting released. Same way, जब मन के अंदर excessive गुस्सा हो या sadness हो कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? Why can't I go out? Every time I have to wear a mask, I have to use sanitizer, I can't go for an event. Help them find alternative ways which are healthy in which they can vent out the steam. जैसे प्रेशर कुकर की सीटी बजती है तो then it is fine, नहीं तो वो explode करेगा. Same way we don't want our children to reach that point. And for this you need to be very patient, my dear parents, because ये easy नहीं है. जब आप किसी को सजेस्ट करोगे, इनिशियली योर चाइल्ड, स्पेशली इफ इट्स अ टीनेजर, इज गोइंग टू सल्क. उनको ये चीजें पसंद नहीं होती है क्योंकि इसमें टाइम लगता है. One child I know became very sorted out, a boy, because he got into photography. He started using photographs to capture his mood. So whenever he was unhappy, instead of throwing a tantrum or behaving badly, या धड़ाम करके ऐसे रूम का जो दरवाजा है उसको बंद कर देना, उसकी जगह पे he started picking up his camera and taking pictures. So for different children, there are different things which work. In other words, let them use their creativity. आप उनको encourage करें. The last slide on this, another thing which we are hearing of is too much of dependence on gadgets, mobile phone, laptop, gaming. इसके लिए भी the suggestion is get them to work with their hands. आप देखोगे इस particular point में हमने लिखा है cooking, baking, gardening, art and craft, blogging and photography. Now, how do you do this? We need to understand gadget dependence is a little different. अब तक जो हमने डिस्कस किया ना, उससे ये थोड़ा अलग है. क्यों? There are two parts to it. One is boredom and the other is addiction. Boredom के लिए आप इन चीजों का यूज करें, इस्तेमाल करें, because these also require intelligence, they require effort. I know a mother who wanted her daughter, 19-year-old daughter, to help out with baking different things, making cookies, making homemade bread. The daughter was initially very dismissive. कि हाँ मैं तो इंटरनेट से देख के, यूट्यूब से देख के सीख लूंगी, इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है. The mother said, okay, आप करके देखो. So the first time she made it, she was myself telling me, she said, आंटी ब्रेड बनाया इतना हार्ड हुआ, आप किसी के सर में फेंको तो that person will get hurt. So I started laughing. She was also laughing. What she realized is that each of these requires a lot of intelligence. So challenge your child a little bit कि 15 मिनट, आधे घंटे के लिए आप कुछ करो. And obviously it has to match his or her interest. जिसको कुकिंग में बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं है, आप उसको अगर किचन की ओर खींचोगे, that person is not going to respond. Find out what they're good at and what they enjoy. तो किसी को राइटिंग अच्छा लगता है, किसी को दूसरा कुछ अच्छा लगता है, help them with that. Second part of gadget dependence is addiction. Parents, we need to understand one thing. कोई भी ऐसी चीज हो जो एडिक्टिव हो नेचर में, जैसे हमें पता है कि सिगरेट्स, अल्कोहल, गैम्बलिंग, ये चीजें एडिक्टिव होती है. गैजेट्स यानी कि इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गैजेट्स से भी सेम एडिक्टिव हार्मोन ब्रेन सिक्रीट करता है, विच इज डोपामीन. सम ऑफ द पेरेंट्स में ऑलरेडी बी अवेयर ऑफ इट. आपको शायद ऑलरेडी पता हो इस बात के बारे में. इसके लिए आप देखोगे छोटा बच्चा, उसको खींच के अलग करना मोबाइल फोन से बहुत मुश्किल होता है. सो आइडियली don't give them screen time beyond the point as per their age. Now what is beyond the point? Age to age differ करता है. If you go online, मैंने खुद देखा है, the western guidelines are very liberal. आप यूएसए की अगर साइकेट्रिक एसोसिएशंस या डॉक्टर्स एसोसिएशंस का गाइडलाइंस देखोगे, they are very liberal. Personally, I don't think that's a good idea at all. उससे अच्छा तो है let them read books. Reading के जैसा, I mean, I can't think of any hobby which is as brilliant as reading. And doesn't matter if they're reading Tinkle or they're reading comics, उनको पढ़ने दीजिए. The happiest sight what I have seen is children reading a book and laughing by themselves, giggling by themselves. That actually happens, and that's something so heartwarming for us as teachers and parents. So again, I'm repeating and recapping. आपका बच्चा अगर गैजेट्स पे बहुत ज्यादा निर्भरशील है, बहुत ज्यादा डिपेंडेंट है, you have to use a mix of strategies because there is an addictive aspect to it and there is a boredom aspect to it. Boredom के लिए solution है ये सारी चीजें, और addiction के लिए solution है धीरे धीरे very patiently you wean off the child from that. Somebody who's doing gaming for 3 hours a day, 4 hours a day, उसको पहले reduce it by half an hour. Do that for a week, then further reduce it for half an hour and talk to your child. Make your child understand the science behind it. Especially जो बच्चे 8 साल के ऊपर के हैं, they can follow the science logic of it. So read up on addiction. इंटरनेट से डोपामीन के ऊपर कुछ आर्टिकल्स, कुछ वीडियोस आप निकालिए. बच्चे को दिखाइए कि सी दिस इज हाउ द ब्रेन वर्क्स. Child will initially resist. Nobody likes to come out of an addiction. Think of your own addictions. I, for example, like sugary things. I like chocolates. So I have to always remind myself what should be the proportion and what should be the portion control. Because in fact, sugar addiction is 8 times more addictive than cocaine. And that might come as a shock to many of us. As a Bengali, for me, it comes very easily to like sweets. So the point is, parents, आपको बहुत सारा धीरज और धैर्य रखना है. ये 1-2 दिन की बात नहीं है. Gradual change has to happen, for which you have to be armed with science. साइंस का हेल्प लेके ही बच्चे को लॉजिकली समझाना है कि बेटा, you are getting addicted and that's not a good thing. And have healthy substitutes so that there is something to fill that vacuum, because only an intelligent child gets bored fast. चाइल्ड अगर भोंदूराम है वो बोर्ड नहीं होता है. अगर आपका बच्चा इंटेलिजेंट है तो ही बोर्ड होता है, तो ही गेमिंग या कंप्यूटर्स की तरफ ज्यादा जाएगा. मैनेजिंग वेट आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट. इसमें सिर्फ एक चीज का मैं हाईलाइट यहाँ पे करूंगी. Once a month, allow them something which is maybe up to their taste. I'm not saying once a month you have to order pizza or something like that. No, and बाहर का खाना मैं बिल्कुल suggest नहीं करूंगी. लेकिन अगर उनको बिस्किट्स खाना है या कुछ डीप फ्राइड खाना है, and you know that's not good for them, once a month or once in whatever time आप decide करिए. Allow them some indulgence so that मन में वो feeling नहीं हो कि they are suppressed. I know a child who used to not get anything in his home which was junk food, and the mother thought she was doing a great job until her neighbor told her that her son was going to the neighbor's house and neighbor के बच्चे के साथ बैठ के वहां पे वो जंक फूड खाता था. So we don't want that to happen. तो उनको मैनेज करना है, रिजिड एकदम नहीं बनना है. And the last point, after all these discussions, some of us may wonder, हम पेरेंट के हिसाब से जो भी करते हैं, आर वी ऑन द राइट ट्रैक? हाउ डू आई नो आई एम डूइंग द बेस्ट फॉर माय चाइल्ड? आपको सिर्फ 2 चीजें याद रखनी है. द फर्स्ट इज हेल्प योर चाइल्ड लर्न द बेसिक ह्यूमन वैल्यूज वेल. ऑनेस्टी, generosity, sharing with others, being sensitive to others, being dynamic, doing your own work, being disciplined. All of these are the fundamental human values. इनको आप imbibe करिए बच्चे में. And whenever you have a dilemma, in fact, a very nice way to handle things is, हमारे जो सारे epics है, we have in our country a whole heritage of very wise literature. Wisdom वाला जो literature होता है, आप उसको use करिए to reinforce the good learnings in the child. So if your child is small, जैसे आप देखते हो जतका, पंचतंत्रा, टेल्स वगैरह होती है, ऐसे बहुत सारी किताबें होती है, ऑनलाइन भी मिलता है, but we won't encourage that. Try and see what books you have at home. Try and see if you can do storytelling. I know a very creative thing which was done by a friend of mine. Her son is around 7. She decided to have once a week a Zoom meet with the grandparents. Grandparents अलग शहर में हैं. And she had requested her in-laws कि आप please हर बार बच्चे को एक कहानी सुनाइए which is from the epics of India. So that way the child was getting to learn a story and getting to imbibe values. The child was also interacting with the grandparents and receiving wisdom. Invariably क्या होता था, story के बाद they used to also discuss a few things. कि अच्छा उसने ऐसा किया ये situation में, आप होते तो क्या करते? Do you think this was the right thing to do? Do you think it was easy? I'll share with you one example from my own life. When my son was young, मैं रामायण और महाभारत की कहानियां उसको सुनाती थी. And some of you may be surprised to know I used to do it in the morning before he went to school. The bus used to come at around 7:15. Invariably 10-15 minute hota tha. That time he was really young, 6 or 7 years of age. So you get these books जिसमें एक picture होता है और 1 page or 2 pages में बाकी का जो story, वो chapter उसमें लिखा होता है. I used to read out. Recently when I asked him, now he is a young adult, कि do you remember ये हम करते थे? He said yes. I not only remember, उसमें बहुत सारा dilemmas होता था. You're stuck in a situation, how to take a decision. So I said, wonderful. I mean, that was something which really reassured me that in this so many years span, a child can actually remember things from stories, because stories में वो feeling होता है. I'll share another little secret with you. I love history, लेकिन history की किताबों में, textbooks में जितना मैंने नहीं सीखा उनसे, अमर चित्रकथा कॉमिक से बहुत सीखा है. So if any of you have old अमर चतुर्थ कथा कॉमिक्स एट होम, या आपके पास टिंकल जैसे कुछ मैगजीन्स है बाइंड करके हम पहले रखते थे पहले के जमाने में, प्लीज हेल्प योर चाइल्ड एंजॉय द लर्निंग. So don't doubt whether you're on the right track. In spite of our best of intentions, हम mistakes करेंगे, गलतियां होती है. Let's accept that. But we try our best. वो ही हमारे हाथ में है, वो ही हम करते हैं, and action gets a reaction. So let's move into the last two slides here.
Ma'am, somebody had pressed the screen share. So
Okay.
again, your screen is into a small icon. So you'll need to present again.
Okay, I'll just stop the sharing. Did we get the last slide, Anushka?
Yeah, but once again, if you put that slide, because from the second point that was happening.
Okay. I'll just take us back. Let me just go back to the original screen. Have you stopped the screen share?
Yeah, it stopped.
Okay. Just give me a moment. There's a bit of a time lag today. आज शायद इंटरनेट को लेके कुछ इश्यूज हैं, कुछ सेकंड्स लग रहे हैं इसको वापस लाने में. Let me tell you in the meantime, as we go for the screen share, सबको बताऊं कि अभी हम क्या करेंगे. एक स्लाइड मैंने रखा है जनरल कि ये सारी बातें तो बहुत अच्छी हैं, लेकिन बच्चे से कोऑपरेशन कैसे लाएं. We have already touched upon that for a younger child, how you can do role modeling, how you can explain, and for an older child, आप consequences दिखा सकते हैं कि आपका काम आप नहीं करोगे तो then what happens. अगर हम भी कहें कि हम अपना काम नहीं करेंगे, what happens. Okay, I'm just going back to the screen share. Anushka, are you able to see my slides? Just tell me when you can see it.
Sure.
It will take a few seconds because like I said, today there's a bit of a time lag. Let me just put on my mobile data pack hotspot as well, just to be on the safe side. जैसे हम लोग थक जाते हैं ना, as grown-ups, कभी-कभी हमारा इंटरनेट भी थक जाता है. So that does tend to happen. Don't worry about it. Is it visible now or it's still not visible?
No, ma'am, it's not visible.
Okay, we'll just wait a few moments more because in the morning also it took a little bit of time. In the meantime, Anushka, if I can request for your help to just read out the questions which have come up on chat.
Sure, ma'am. And the first question that had come was how to deal with 16 years child when he is given so much freedom. Later it results the child to be aggressive, giving back answers, and child gets angry so fast.
Okay, I'm just going to note that down. 1 second. Okay. Go on with the questions.
1 second.
Yeah. And Anushka, please let me know in case you see the screen, because
it's not visible as of now.
Okay.
Yeah, the second question is, my son is 13 years old, but he is not confident.
Okay.
For example, he doesn't sleep alone even though we all are there at home. He doesn't have a best friend yet.
Doesn't have a?
Best friend yet.
Best friend. Okay.
13-year-old.
Okay, please go on.
My kid knows what he has learned or studied, but never keen to share.
Okay.
My kid is unable to concentrate.
Okay.
Many times kids see expensive toys and things with their friends and they ask us to buy the same for them. But if you can't afford, how to explain them?
Okay.
My child is 7 years. He's so fond of playing that he doesn't even feel hungry. Morning after waking up, we have to coax him to do his chores, but he is just too engrossed in playing. How do you manage that?
Okay.
I have 12-year twin girls. How to develop their interest in studies?
Okay.
She wants her TV show while eating. Sometimes we watching news. She wants cartoon.
Mm-hmm.
I know of a 3-year young butterfly. She is the epicenter of love and is pampered by full family from maternal and paternal sides. But she is very aggressive and short-tempered. How can we help her calm down?
Hmm.
I don't like reading and history at all. How do I create interest in reading?
Okay.
My child loves playing games on laptop. He's playing games more than studies. Whenever we tell him to study, he always says wait for 2 minutes and take 2 hours. How can we
Okay.
make him interested in studies?
Hmm.
And my son is 6 year old, but he's very aggressive and listening.
Okay.
How to keep the child motivated as competitive exams after 12th keeps on postponing.
Okay.
How to manage the temper tantrums and anger management of 5 year old. These many are there as of now.
Okay. 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 So it's still not come up, Anushka?
No, ma'am, it has not come. One more question is there. Son does
Hmm.
not speak to teachers and other classmates.
Okay. I'm just noting these. First of all, parents, thank you for sharing your thoughts. In fact, I think what I'll do is I'll come out of the screen share mode क्योंकि 2-3 मिनट हो चुके हैं. I think there is some problem related to either the internet or some other factor because I'm able to see the screen share happening, but I think you are not able to see it. Anushka आया नहीं है,
Yeah.
right? It's not yet
No,
come.
ma'am, it has not come.
Okay, so then I'll just come out of it. The good thing is the happy news is कि सिर्फ 2 या 3 slides ही बाकी थे on self care. We had already finished with our first 2 segments. So जो self care का segment है वो मैं last में आपको verbally share कर दूंगी. उसके लिए कोई बात नहीं है. Let me just stop the screen share from happening and I'll come back to.
One more question is there. How
Mhm.
to teach them self control?
Just 1 second.
And one parent has written very nice session. I have attended PMM sessions earlier also. Would like to attend more. Thank you.
That's so sweet of you. Thank you so much. It is always our pleasure and joy कि आपको ऐसे sessions उपयोगी लगते हैं. That is our fuel, that is our motivation, that is what keeps us going. So, like I said, हम लोग वैसे ही slides का जो segment है वो खत्म होने वाला था. It was coming to an end. We just had a very small bit on self-care that was left. उसके पहले आप सबने जो questions, आपने जो सवाल पूछे हैं, very quickly we're going to go through some of them. Laptop वाला जो question है, this I will consider as already answered because we have talked in detail as to how to handle it. वापस मैं सिर्फ आपको दोहराऊंगी, इसमें 2 चीजें होता है, एक तो है boredom, दूसरा है addiction. Addiction को handle करने के लिए समझना है कि the brain is used to the dopamine. You have to be very patient and gradually, धीरे धीरे उसको कम करना है. But while talking to your child, you have to use science. साइंस को इस्तेमाल करके ही आप कन्विंस कर पाओगे. नहीं तो हमारे बच्चे बहुत स्मार्ट है, वो सुनेंगे नहीं. और जो बोर्डम वाला सेगमेंट है उसको हैंडल करने के लिए यू हैव टू गिव हेल्दी सब्स्टिट्यूट्स. सो दिस इज कॉमन. व्हिचएवर पेरेंट हैज रिटन दिस, लेट मी शेयर विद यू. आपने जो लिखा है वो सिर्फ आपके घर में नहीं, बहुत घरों में आज हो रहा है. सो प्लीज डोंट वरी एंड थिंक दैट माय सन और डॉटर इज abnormal. यूजुअली बॉयज का हम ये ज्यादा देखते हैं. व्हाई? इसके पीछे भी कारण है. The level of development of the brain for boys and girls happens at different places. So we need to keep that in mind. तो ये point हम बोल चुके हैं. 3 questions have come up on anger. Anger and aggression को लेके काफी सारे questions आए हैं. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है? 6 साल या 7 साल की उम्र से ज्यादा अगर आपके बच्चे की उम्र है, सबसे पहले every day प्राणायाम उनको कराएं. And you'll be thinking, अरे बाप रे, that is going to be so difficult. Well, अग्रेशन डिफिकल्ट अगर मसला है तो उसका सोल्यूशन भी, उसका थोड़ा एफर्ट हमें करना है सोल्यूशन के लिए. सो प्लीज मेक श्योर अनुलोम विलोम इज डन. दैट इज वेरी यूजफुल इन कामिंग द ब्रेन. आई एम गोइंग टू कंबाइन द क्वेश्चन ऑन concentration with anger management and suggest something here. If you can see my hands, I have put my hand in something called ज्ञान मुद्रा, इसको ध्यान मुद्रा बोलते हैं, ज्ञान मुद्रा भी बोलते हैं. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेथड्स फॉर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन एंड एंगर रिडक्शन. बहुत सिंपल सा है. आपका जो थंब है और फोर फिंगर है उसको एक साथ जोड़ना है. नाउ हाउ डज दिस हेल्प? There is an entire science called Mudra Vigyan. Time will not permit us to go into that, but if your child has got either a challenge with aggression या तो concentration, ये ज्ञान मुद्रा बहुत यूजफुल है. The child is sitting and listening, let the hands be in Gyan Mudra. The child is watching television, let the hands be in Gyan Mudra. The child is taking a walk somewhere inside the house, let the hands be in Gyan Mudra. इसको default position बना दीजिए बच्चे के लिए, आप भी practice करिए so that the child can see you do it. This is very simple and there is no time limit for this. यानी कि ऐसा नहीं कि 10 मिनट के बाद आपको रोकना है. आप जितने घंटे भी इसको कर सकते हो उतना अच्छा है. I'll not go into more details of the mudra, but trust me when I say हम बच्चों को ये चीजें बताते हैं कि आप एग्जाम्स के पहले जब कंसंट्रेशन करना है and you are stressed, try and use this mudra. So two things we have told you for concentration and anger management. One is Anulom Vilom Pranayam, the other is using this mudra. The third thing that we will suggest, जो long term है, आप बच्चे के साथ जितना conversations हो सके उतना करिए. Keep discussing. Talk about your own challenges. Talk about your childhood and what were the issues which you faced when you grew up. Ask your child for help and advice and opinions. Sometimes children love to participate. आप बहुत बार देखोगे, they can come out with such wonderful ideas. आप एकदम surprised रह जाओगे that my child is telling me this that is so mature. बहुत बार I'm sure ऐसा हो चुका है आपके लाइफ में that your little son or daughter can come out with an idea. आपको सूझा नहीं होगा वो आइडिया, लेकिन उनके दिमाग में आइडिया आती है. सो डोंट ट्रीट देम जस्ट लाइक अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड. ट्रीट देम लाइक अ मिनिएचर साइज ह्यूमन बीइंग. अ फुली प्रॉपर अडल्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग जैसा होता है, बट ये छोटा वर्जन है. ट्रीट देम लाइक दैट एंड you'll be amazed to see it. This is our third suggestion कि communication, involvement in decision making, asking them for opinions. Fourth suggestion, aggression can also happen due to eating the wrong foods, especially sugary foods. Because when you eat something that's very high glycemic, either very high in starches or sugars, हमारा जो blood sugar है वो बहुत जल्दी से बढ़ जाता है और फिर गिर जाता है. In both stages, aggression and irritability come up. In fact, when blood sugar is low, we use a term called hangry, which is a combination of hungry plus angry. So बच्चे के न्यूट्रिशन और खाने के ऊपर थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ध्यान दीजिए अगर आपके बच्चे में अग्रेशन या कॉन्सेंट्रेशन के प्रॉब्लम्स है. दिस वाज सजेशन 4. फिफ्थ एंड फाइनल सजेशन, हेल्प योर चाइल्ड लेबल द इमोशन. जैसे कि हमने एक स्लाइड में दिखाया था कि जब हम बच्चे को सिखाते हैं that I am getting angry, he or she is able to express, and that can happen right from the ages of 3. 3 साल की उम्र का बच्चा भी बोल पाता है कि मम्मा मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है या मुझे रोना आ रहा है अभी. Trust me when I say that is really going to help your child get a handle on the emotion. And then show your child respond कैसे करना है, reaction नहीं करना है, response कैसे करना है. Okay, so ये 5 हमारे suggestions थे. हमने ज्ञान मुद्रा, प्राणायाम, paying attention to nutrition, communication, and labeling your emotions. These were 5 suggestions we've given you. One of you has asked, okay, so the aggression thing is done. One of you has asked about motivation, especially for competitive exams. I can understand as a parent, आपके मन में obviously ये feeling एक होता है कि कैसे उसको motivate करें. The best way to motivate is ask them what are your life goals. And if they say they are confused, उनको वापस पूछिए, ठीक है, आपको लाइफ में पाना क्या है? They may say I want to earn money, I want to be successful. फ्रेंड्स के आंखों में मेरे लिए रिस्पेक्ट होना चाहिए. I want to travel around the world. Many young people say that nowadays कि मुझे दुनिया देखना है. हम जब छोटे थे सोचते थे अरे इंडिया देख लिया तो बहुत हो गया, लेकिन आजकल के बच्चे they are very aspirational. So once you sit down and make a list with them, फिर उनको दिखाइए कि बेटा ये सारी चीजें अगर करनी है, आपको कॉम्पिटेंट होना है, you need to have a great job or a great business. उसके लिए क्या चाहिए? लर्निंग. वो कहां से आएगा? अच्छे कॉलेज से. अच्छे कॉलेज में आप दाखिला कैसे लोगे? From good marks in your exams. So work backwards from a good future. एक गुड फ्यूचर का ड्रीम आप उनके मन में जगाइए. and then work backwards from that so that they feel like sitting with their books. Otherwise, trust me when I say that it's not easy to be motivated. खुद को फोर्स करके बैठना पड़ता है. One student, one boy once asked me, मैम ट्रिगोनोमेट्री सीख के क्या किसी का भला हो सकता है? Then I showed him the linkage कि देखो बेटा, वर्ली का जो सी लिंक है, बैंड्रा वर्ली सी लिंक, do you think the engineers took a scale or a foot ruler to measure कि कितना डिस्टेंस होगा, यहाँ पे उसका पिलर बनेगा? It was all done using trigonometry. तो वो जो कैलकुलेशंस होते हैं, this is the application. He said, मैम प्रोफेसर्स ये क्यों बताते नहीं है इस कॉलेज में? ऐसे नहीं बताते हैं, no problem, but you are intelligent enough, you can find out for yourself. So motivation is created by helping the child understand कि today if I study, what is my tomorrow going to be? Motivation does not come by fear, by threat, by comparison. These are very demotivating. So parents गलती से भी बच्चे को मोटिवेट करने के लिए ये मत बोलना कि सपोज आपके मार्क्स अच्छे नहीं आते हैं, your future will be bad. That is not a happy thing. I know a child who actually went into depression because this was the mother's constant narrative. Turn it around, change it, give a better future, help the child dream of a better future, and then show the child कि yes, आपको ये चीजें चाहिए, तो work backwards from there. This is what you need to do today so that this is your future tomorrow. One more question which is linked to this, which had come up, is that you are not interested in reading and history. How do you help your child? First thing is, you don't have to be good at everything for your child to pick that up. हर एक इंसान का स्वधर्म अलग होता है. किसी को रीडिंग पसंद है, किसी को ना पसंद है. What you can demonstrate is, आप कोई भी चीज में एक्सीलेंस की ओर जब जाते हो, मान लीजिए आपको कुकिंग पसंद है, या आपको मैथ्स अच्छा लगता था, या जनरल नॉलेज आपको अच्छा लगता है, you demonstrate and show how even today you are enjoying the learning, you're keeping your mind fresh and active. That way the child learns कि हाँ, हिस्ट्री के लिए या रीडिंग के लिए मुझे ये करना है. Okay, so don't worry if you don't like a subject, doesn't mean your child will not like the subject. Don't put stress on yourself. Simply demonstrate excellence in whatever area of life जो आपको अच्छा लगे. Okay, somebody has talked about playing a lot. I would say take that as an opportunity. I'm assuming your child is really young. Take that as an opportunity to learn about Swadharma firstly. If your child is playing, let's say, with Lego blocks or mechanics करके कुछ चीजें आती हैं कि वो बनाता जाता है. Understand that is a child's Swadharma, number one. Number two, आप उसके लिए थोड़े boundaries बनाइए. Boundaries का क्या मतलब है? There are two kinds of boundaries, space boundary and time boundary. Space boundary means छोटे से घरों में, मुंबई में हम सब लोग जो रहते हैं, हमारे घर काफी छोटे होते हैं. एक कारपेट या धरी या पुराना चादर जैसा है, उसको बिछा दीजिए और बोलिए कि आपको जो भी खेलना है इसके अंदर करिए, so that you can keep things back properly. बाद में समेट के सब कुछ आपको रखना है. Don't scatter it. उसको बिखर के नहीं करना है. That is called space boundary. Time boundary means, okay, you feel like playing, चलो डिसाइड कर लो 10 मिनट खेलो, और 5 मिनट के बाद एक वार्निंग अलार्म बजेगा, या तो मैं आके एज अ पेरेंट आई विल टेल यू, या आप अगर बच्चा अगर बड़ा होता है, ही कैन डू इट फॉर हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. Create a time boundary for this. In fact, this answer also correlates with the parent who has asked कि my child takes the laptop, says 2 minutes, but it goes to 2 hours. Use a time boundary. And for the older child, I will suggest build consequences कि आपने 2 मिनट की जगह पे अगर 10 मिनट कर लिया, आप आज किचन में जाके रोटियां बनाओगे सबके लिए. That way सबको रोटियां खाने का, आपके हाथ की रोटियां खाने का मौका भी मिलेगा, and you will learn that everything has a consequence. Parents, one of the common threads which I'm finding in the questions which you are asking is how to teach our children about consequences. The very first question also which had come up about a 16-year-old child who has a lot of freedom. And there was another question about a girl who's aggressive, although she's very much loved by the parents and the grandparents. Children need to be taught there is a consequence. आप कोई भी काम करते हो, उसका एक परिणाम होता है. अच्छा परिणाम हुआ तो अच्छा है, अगर बुरा परिणाम होता है तो भुगतना पड़ता है. Even a 3-year-old knows कि मैंने अगर मेरे खिलौने ठीक से नहीं रखे, अगली बार मेरी मम्मा मुझे खेलने नहीं देगी, मुझे 2 दिन खेलने को नहीं मिलेगा. That's a simple consequence. Please understand, this is not a punishment. पनिशमेंट होता है, थोड़ा एंगर उसमें होता है, विंडिक्टिवनेस होता है, हम जिस तरह से बच्चे के साथ बात करते हैं उसमें गुस्सा, हमारा गुस्सा ज्यादा होता है। तो सबसे पहले व्हेन वी आर इंटरेक्टिंग विद द चाइल्ड, खुद के गुस्से को थोड़ा अलग रख के फिर सोचिए कि हाउ डू आई क्रिएटिवली मेक द चाइल्ड अंडरस्टैंड कि बेटा आप जो कर रहे हो वो रॉन्ग है। तो जब 3 साल या 4 साल का बच्चा खेलता ही जाता है, उसको आप बड़े प्यार से गिव हिम अ टाइट हग, लिफ्ट हिम अप फ्रॉम देयर एंड से नाउ यू आर इन अ डिफरेंट किंगडम एंड बिकॉज यू फॉरगॉट टू स्टॉप प्लेइंग, आपने खाना ठीक से नहीं खाया, आपको खेलने वाला किंगडम कल नहीं मिलेगा। Help the child understand. When the 16-year-old is doing gaming and not stopping, again you have to see how you can help a time boundary come into place. And simple example, when food etc is being served, आप as a mother or father बहुत care रखते हो, show the child that everything in life has to be related to responsibilities and consequences. We are all sharing our lives together. The mother will do the cooking, the father will do certain tasks, but बच्चा कुछ नहीं करेगा, बच्चा अपने धुन में रहेगा, ना, it can't happen. Even a small child can be taught this simple logic कि सब लोग अगर बोले कि हम लोग अपना काम नहीं करेंगे, हम पूरा दिन खेलेंगे, then what happens? So whether it is a 4-year-old, whether it's a 16-year-old, consequences can be explained and they can be demonstrated. There's one question about expensive toys. एंड आई कैन टोटली एम्पैथाइज पेरेंट्स, ये बहुत बार होता है कि बच्चा दूसरे बच्चों को देखता है, उनके पास ये है वो है, हमारे पास नहीं है, क्यों नहीं है, बच्चे को गुस्सा भी आ सकता है, द चाइल्ड में इवन टॉक इन अ रूड मैनर विद द पेरेंट। सिंपल सोल्यूशन, बच्चा अगर बड़ा है तो क्या करना है मैं अलग से बताती हूँ, अगर छोटा है तो क्या करना है। बड़ा मीन्स 12-14 साल की उम्र से ज्यादा अगर है, अगर ओल्डर चाइल्ड इज सेइंग दिस, गिव देम अ सिंपल टास्क एंड अ चैलेंज that you are giving them 1 week, let them earn 1000 rupees through some good activity and demonstrate to you. They cannot sell off any household item. I actually know when a child actually did this. If it's an old child, then he or she understands कि बाबा बाहर की दुनिया में जाके 1000 रुपए भी कमाना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. That child learns to value money. If it's a young child, 10 साल 12 साल के कम उम्र का बच्चा अगर हो, I think the parent has just written 9-year-old. That child has to be explained lovingly but with a lot of understanding to make him or her understand that your toy does not define your identity. You can play and enjoy as much as your friends can with the same toy, and आप उनसे कुछ inferior नहीं बन जाते हो अगर आपके पास वो सेम वाला टॉय नहीं है या सेम वाली कोई भी चीज नहीं है। ये हमें उनको सिखाना है। I can share with you from my own personal experience. This is very, very necessary and important. Every child has to be taught. अभी तो pandemic है, so we can't use public transport. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ कि हम हमेशा ऊंचे की सोचते हैं, ऊंचा सोचते हैं. My child should travel in aircrafts, airlines. If I have traveled in buses and trains, my child should be traveling in हवाई जहाज. No problem. But बच्चे को BST बस में भी travel करने की habit होनी चाहिए. Very necessary for us to stay down to earth and humble. तो बच्चे को सिखाइए that this is where our life situation is. Help the child learn through a game maybe कि बजट कैसा बनता है, फैमिली के खर्चे क्या क्या है, 1 लीटर दूध का खर्चा कितना है. Even a 9-year-old child can understand, and he or she will be shocked and aghast to know कि आप 1 कप चाय पीते हो या 1 कप कॉफी हम पीते हैं. What is the cost of that? He or she learns to value the money, and he or she learns to respect the parents for earning and doing their best. Excuse me. So these were the common threads between the questions, and let me just check my list to see what else is required. Yeah. The cartoon versus news question that came up, just have a friendly dialogue and negotiate. Teach the child negotiation skills. If I were in your shoes, what I would have done is, I would have asked the child that, okay, take it as a debate. Present to me 3 good reasons why we should all watch the cartoon and not the news. Let the child present the reasons. अगर बहुत छोटा बच्चा है, that may be difficult, but any child above the age of 6 can actually do this. So help them do that. Another question which came up is, your child doesn't speak to the teachers and classmates. Find out why. There can be different reasons. If it's an introvert personality, there may be no problem or not much of a problem, and the child does manage to get along with others as time goes by. If there is a problem, for example, if the child has gone through some situation in life, some crisis, some trauma, या बच्चे का परफॉर्मेंस एग्जाम्स में अच्छा नहीं हुआ है, so the child feels embarrassed कि मेरे फ्रेंड्स मेरे ऊपर हंसेंगे, he or she becomes withdrawn and aloof, then that child probably needs gentle guidance from you. Time to time आप उसको बोलिए, एक फेलियर से लाइफ में कुछ नहीं होता है, हम कितने भी मिस्टेक्स करें, God has blessed us with the ability to go ahead. So constantly communicate with the child, have positive, inspiring, optimistic examples to share. That way we will make sure that the child is able to get along with others and the child is communicating. Third सुझाव मैं दूंगी, बच्चे को थोड़े छोटे छोटे टारगेट्स दीजिए. If the child is not talking, I'm assuming this is a school, not college going boy. Give the child a target that अगर आपके 4 या 5 ऑनलाइन सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, आप एक क्लास में क्वेश्चन पूछोगे या टीचर का आंसर आप दोगे. If you say in all the classes you should participate, that's too much for the child. क्योंकि वो मे बी थोड़ा शाई नेचर का है. That's perfectly fine. Shyness is not a crime, it's not a harm. तो बहुत ज्यादा पुश मत करिए, लेकिन छोटे गोल्स उसको दीजिए, so that he or she knows, हाँ इसमें कौन सी बड़ी बात है, क्वेश्चन ही तो पूछना है या टीचर के क्वेश्चन का आंसर देना है. So just do it in small steps and baby steps, but most important, find out the reason कि बच्चा अलग क्यों रहता है, क्यों कम्युनिकेट नहीं करता है, and use your own positivity to make the child inspired. I think with this, most of the questions are getting answered. हाँ, एक क्वेश्चन और बाकी है, सेल्फ कंट्रोल. इसमें 2-3 चीजें मैं सुझाव आपको दूंगी. What are the suggestions? सबसे पहले, like हमने ऑलरेडी कहा है, प्राणायाम, because प्राणायाम helps to regulate the 2 hemispheres of the brain. आपका चाइल्ड अगर ग्रोइंग ईयर्स में है, टीनेज और प्री टीन्स, 12, 13, 14, 15, you will find a lot of behavioral changes. आप सोचोगे, is this my son or daughter? अब तक कितने शांत थे, कितने स्वीट थे, मेरी हर बात को मानते थे, अचानक से उनको क्या हो गया? Please understand these are hormonal changes and ये एकदम नॉर्मल है. It's a part of their development. प्राणायाम के माध्यम से आप उनको सेल्फ रेगुलेशन सिखा सकते हैं. So this is our first suggestion. ये पहला सुझाव. दूसरा सुझाव for self control. Whatever activity they are doing which you feel is not healthy and right for them, आप उनको साइंस का लॉजिक यूज करके डिस्कस करिए उनके साथ कि बेटा, आई फाइंड यू आर ऑलवेज डूइंग दिस. आप खाते हो तो बहुत ज्यादा खाते हो, टीवी देख रहे हो तो बहुत ज्यादा टीवी देख रहे हो. Ask them, are you comfortable? Are you happy? Mostly they will say no. Help them do that honest soul searching. They will say no. Then have a discussion. तो आपके हिसाब से आपको क्या करना चाहिए? Then work backwards from there to help them figure it out. तो ये था हमारा दूसरा सुझाव. Have a conversation with them. Let them set their deadlines and their goals. Third and final thing which we will suggest for self-control, you do the role modeling for them. आपको अगर कोई चीज बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है, नेटफ्लिक्स पे कुछ देखना या कुछ स्पेशल खाना लेना या कोई भी चीज हो, फ्रेंड्स के साथ जैसे फोन पे बात करते हैं तो 1 घंटा 1.5 घंटा हो सकता है, काम करते हुए भी हम बातें कर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी एंजॉय दैट सो मच. वी नीड टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट सेल्फ कंट्रोल एंड शो कि हम भी अपना काम को रेगुलेटेड मात्रा में ही करते हैं. कोई चीज पसंद हो, इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि उसको बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में करें, दैट बिकम्स अनहेल्दी फॉर अस. So demonstrate to them. तो ये 3 हमारे सुझाव थे for self control. I think with this we have kind of finished with the questions. Thank you so much, parents, for your questions. We have gone into extra time. Yes,
and there are more questions in the chat box.
Okay. Then what I will do is मैं 1 मिनट के लिए सिर्फ फाइनल जो सेगमेंट है वो आपको बता दूं. हमारा फाइनल सेगमेंट था कि आप खुद का ध्यान भी रखें, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से रखें, because to be a good parent you have to be a happy and healthy parent, you have to be a happy and healthy person. Especially ये जो mothers हैं, मैं इनके लिए कहूंगी, please don't think you have to suffer for your child to be healthy. That is not true and it is not correct. So keep in mind, self care में प्राणायाम, आपका मेडिटेशन, एक्सरसाइज, अगर कुछ दवाइयां लेनी होती है तो वो करना, घर के अंदर योगासन वगैरह करना, आपकी नींद पूरी हो उसके लिए टाइम रखना, कि ऐसा नहीं कि टीवी बहुत सारा देख लिया फिर रात को देर से सोए. खाने के ऊपर ध्यान देना, एक्सरसाइज के साथ साथ, जैसे मैंने कहा हेल्थ कंडीशंस क्या है. Please take care of yourself as a wonderful human being. Your child will observe and your child will learn. He or she will know कि yes, our lives are precious. भगवान ने, ईश्वर ने अगर हमें इस ह्यूमन लाइफ को एज a गिफ्ट दिया है, there is a reason for it. We may or may not always know the reason, but there is a reason. Nothing happens just by itself. There is always a purpose. So we keep ourselves healthy, happy, productive, so that we can find that purpose and खुद खुश रहे, औरों को भी खुश रखे. So this was about the self-care segment, and I'll come back. And Anushka, as you said, there are questions. You can tell me what they are.
As there is no school, kids are learning in mobile and laptop. After completing the Zoom meet, she starts seeing program in mobile. Also, didn't help.
No, it will not help to see the programs on mobiles. In fact, if you talk about radiation and eye strain, a TV is better than a laptop or a mobile. In fact, अगर आप gradation करना चाहे, TV is the least harmful, then laptop, computer, then mobile. Mobile is the worst. Mobile का जो, you'll be surprised to know the radiation of a mobile phone. There's something called the SAR, which is there on the battery. आप अगर आपके मोबाइल को पीछे से खोल के उसके बैटरी को चेक करेंगे, you will see there's a certain number. I'm not talking of the INEI number, there's a SAR number as well. Okay, so mobile का radiation बहुत strong होता है. A child's skull does not develop fully in terms of thickness until the age of 12 to 15 years of age. So 12-15 से कम जो बच्चे की उम्र अगर हो, मोबाइल आप उनके हाथ में अगर न ही दो तो बेहतर है. अगर देना ही दे तो एकदम लिमिटेड मात्रा में दे, and let them earn it. Don't give it as an entitlement. Okay, the commonest mistake I find parents making is, हाँ इतना तो करना ही है, इतना तो उनको देना ही है. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You don't have to give them something as an entitlement. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And when it comes to programs, ideally I won't recommend mobile phone or even laptop. I would say वो टीवी पे देखे. क्यों? सबके साथ जब ड्राइंग रूम में बैठ के देखेंगे, you can have a discussion. छोटा बच्चा कार्टून्स अगर देखे, उसको लेके डिस्कस करिए. थोड़ा ओल्डर चाइल्ड कुछ ड्रामा सीरियल देखे, उसको लेके डिस्कस करिए. It allows for a different mode of family participation, and आंखों के ऊपर स्ट्रेन कम होता है, ब्रेन पे कम उसका नेगेटिव इफेक्ट होता है.
The question continues with the child does not help in home to how to keep involved in other activities.
Okay, this has already been explained at great length. Already इसके ऊपर 20 मिनट हमने डिस्कशन किया है. So for the sake of other parents, I'll not repeat again. Based on the age of your child, आप एक स्ट्रैटेजी बनाइए. छोटे बच्चे के लिए जेंटल स्ट्रैटेजी, बड़े बच्चे के लिए थोड़ा फर्म स्ट्रैटेजी. That if you don't do the housework and we also don't do the housework, then what happens? एक दिन उपवास करवा लीजिए बच्चे से. One day let the child be hungry. One meal let the child be hungry. The child will understand every action has a consequence, and for something to come, for food to come on the table, there's a lot of hard work and effort. So based on the age of the child, work out a strategy. This has already been discussed, so I hope your question has been answered. Any other question, Anushka?
My child has a low self-esteem. He asks permission for even going to loo. How to boost his confidence?
It depends on the age of the child. Usually this happens because of 2-3 reasons. कभी-कभी होता है कि कोई घर में क्राइसिस या इंसिडेंट या ऐसा ट्रॉमेटिक कुछ हुआ हो तो बच्चे का सेल्फ एस्टीम थोड़ा शेकअप हो जाता है, बट दैट्स अ टेम्पररी फेज. मोर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग डैमेज टू सेल्फ एस्टीम हैपेंस अगर बच्चे को बहुत ज्यादा रोक टोक हो. In everything, if you are trying to improve the child, we don't let a child make mistakes, then the self-esteem and confidence gets damaged. So uske liye our suggestion will be, if it is a second case, the suggestion will be, try and give the child little things to do, and when he or she does it right, praise the child a lot. Simple thing based on the age. I don't know the age, but I'm just making my assumptions. Kitchen में जाके एक कप चाय बनाना for the mother. If the child does it well, praise the child and help the child do it again. And then next time give a slightly bigger task to the child. Okay, can you also help with this? In this way, you can make a child understand कि आप जो हो, जैसे हो, you are perfect and you don't need to check for the small things. you can take decisions by yourself. This is decision making, confidence in decision making. So asking permission to go to the loo, या जैसे कि एक parent ने कहा, not wanting to sleep alone by himself or herself, although everyone is there at home. Like we said, दो कारण की वजह से हो सकता है. Temporary अगर है, it will pass away. कि घर में कुछ हुआ है, God forbid there's a loss of a loved person, कुछ bereavement हुआ है, it does happen. But जो long lasting ऐसा अगर behavior आप देखें बच्चे में, then you have to use this strategy. Start communicating with the child, praise the child for everything he or she is doing right, and tell the child that next time you don't need to ask your mother or you don't need to ask mama or papa. आप ये कर सकते हो, आप में वो क्षमता है कि आप अच्छे से करो. So constant positive reinforcement is the main suggestion here, and help the child see how his or her skills are growing. So it's a positive loop which you are creating for the child. And child से अगर mistake भी होता है तो होने दीजिए. I'll share with you a personal example when I wanted to train my son to learn cooking, because cooking is a life skill and बेटा हो या बेटी हो सबको खाना बनाना आना चाहिए. He used to be very hesitant कि नमक कितना डालना है, ये ज्यादा हो रहा है कम हो रहा है. अच्छा बेटा होने दो, you use your common sense and put, जो भी हुआ हम लोग खा लेंगे. तो कभी थोड़ा कम हुआ, कभी थोड़ा ज्यादा हुआ, ज्यादा होता था तो he used to come and tell me, मम्मा आज ज्यादा है. I used to say, don't worry, it doesn't matter. Add some lemon or add something else, you can balance the taste. So now it has reached a point where he will not check every time, but he will tell me that okay, this is so much that I'm cooking. Say dal I'm making, तो मैं इतना नमक डाल रहा हूँ, and I'll just smile and say go ahead. मैं कभी हाँ या ना नहीं बोलती हूँ. I just tell him go ahead. And you know that the stakes are not very high. क्या होगा? At the most, it will be थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे. So through small things you help a child. Now this is cooking that I'm talking about. There are much bigger decisions in life which we need to take. A child has to have that decision making skill. So you gradually praise the child for everything he or she is doing nicely, correctly, and let the child learn कि उसमें वो क्षमता है. Okay, so I think we're going to end at this point because it's close to 1 o'clock. Thank you so much, parents who have stayed back till the end. Thank you so much for your time. आपने आपके दिन का इतना सारा समय वेस्लाब के सेशन के लिए दिया. It is our privilege. We hope आपको कुछ चीजें इसमें उपयोगी लगी हो. We hope you found certain things useful. Anushka ma'am will be sharing with everybody the Google feedback form link. And please give us your suggestions. Also, if you have any more queries, I noticed Anushka has already put up in the chat box. हमारा एक email ID है westlark@gmail.com. बाद में भी अगर आपके मन में कुछ questions आए, you're most welcome to reach out and ask us. We'll be happy to help. Thank you so much for your lovely chat box messages. For a long time, मेरी आंखें वहां पे जा रही थी. I was seeing that you all are writing very beautiful, heartwarming messages, but I was so busy in answering the questions that I couldn't actually respond to your individual thank you messages. So most welcome, from our hearts, welcome.
Yes. There are 3 more questions in the chat box.
Okay, we'll do it really quickly because parents are waiting. It's lunchtime for everyone.
Because previously you had answered one question, so it was connected to that. That if with such consequence the 3-year starts crying to an extent the heart aches and we have to give up.
No, if your 3-year-old is crying, just give a tight hug to your child. Crying doesn't mean that we allow a child to do something which is unhealthy. Crying को love से handle करना है, लेकिन healthy unhealthy का difference भी बच्चे को सिखाना है. Forget a 3-year-old, even a 2-year-old can understand that difference. Trust me when I say this, this is based on psychology. Even a small child can understand सही क्या है, गलत क्या है. So the child may feel bad, and I can completely understand that you will feel very bad, especially mothers feel very, very heartbroken, very sad. Give a tight hug. Give a lot of love. Okay, आप उसको सहलाओ. We have already talked of validation. Validate the emotion. Make the child understand, oh God, you're feeling really upset now. The child says yes. In that process of saying yes, that child understands, I am not my emotion. The emotion is something external. ये बहुत बड़ा एक ट्रेनिंग होता है. Trust me, parents, when I say this. If you give in now for the wrong things, you are setting up the child for a lifetime of a wrong habit where he or she knows कि my tears will melt my mother's or father's heart. वो सही नहीं है, क्योंकि फिर वो unhealthy चीजें भी अगर करे, you will be helpless because already the child is imbibed. Anything else, Anushka? Any other question?
Time management.
That is a topic for another session. But simple, very short answer which I will give you is help the child dream big in life. टाइम मैनेजमेंट तभी होता है जब मूड मैनेजमेंट हो जाए. मूड मैनेजमेंट के लिए help the child have goals. If the child has goals, he or she will manage time. Yeah, so that's a simple short answer I'm giving you, but this is the answer which we give to our students as well. Goals चाहिए, dreams चाहिए, लक्ष्य एक चाहिए होता है लाइफ में. लाइफ का एक लक्ष्य हो तो आप टाइम को ऑटोमेटिकली मैनेज करोगे. वी नो यंग पीपल, once they found what they liked, they got so much into it that their parents were amazed कि ये मेरा बच्चा है, working so hard, doing so much. So that happens. Just help them dream big. Like I said, there's more to be said, but that's not for today's session. Anything else, Anushka? Any last question?
No, ma'am, all done.
Great. Thank you so much. So from
one is there, ma'am. What
okay.
if he back answers?
Well, you help him understand that what is being said is wrong. And again, depends on the age of the child. Agar bacha chota hai, you can give the child a little bit of a timeout, that you make the child sit alone, not interact with the others, not play, and to reflect on his or her behavior. If it's an older child, ask the child how he or she would feel if you also talked in a way which was rude and insensitive. And like we said before, बच्चे बहुत sensitive होते हैं. वो ये बात समझ जाते हैं कि अगर मैं चाहता हूं मेरे साथ लोग अच्छे से बोले, मुझे भी अच्छे से बोलना है. So yes, initially once or twice you might get an answer which is rude. आपको गुस्से में हाथ नहीं उठाना है. That would then be countering rudeness with rudeness. So two negatives don't make a positive. Two wrongs don't make a right. What we need to do is, based on the age of the child, help the child introspect and understand ये गलत है, ये चलेगा नहीं. Lovingly करना है. See, loving approach has to go hand in hand with a firm approach. ना को हाँ में बदलना, हाँ को ना में बदलना, that is not what a child should aim for. So our approach has to be very clear, very consistent, very firm, but loving. जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि छोटा बच्चा रो रहा है with a tantrum, give a nice hug to the child and help the child understand, yes, it's okay to be sad. You're sad, oh my God, I'm sad that you're sad. Doesn't mean that you give in to the child कि हाँ मुझे ये खिलौना चाहिए या ये खाना चाहिए. No, not necessary at all. Okay, I'm going to take that as closure, because otherwise I think some of us will be delayed. And again, our great thanks to you, heartfelt thanks to you from entire Westlife team for being here. And this was a very special webinar for us because ये pandemic के दौरान हमने